Yeah, give it up, Pally.
Yeah, all right, yeah. Let's go, Boston.
Southie band. Yeah, we did it.
Yeah.
Alex Cora. Mookie. Yeah, my Boston guys.
Mookie, I love you, you fucking black guy.
Yeah. No more. Yeah. Get over here, Megan. Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, we did it, bro. Red Sox 2018 World Series. We're MLB champions. Let's go.
We won.
Yo, fuck the Yankees.
Yeah,
not that we're thinking about them on this day that is about our world championship. But fuck them.
But fuck those guys. You know what I mean?
I don't think about Aaron Judge holding me down and doing things to me.
No, I don't think about that at all. I don't think about that at all. I just go to my apartment and I jerk off thinking about,
Whoa. Before you go jerk off, you put your car in the garage?
Yeah, I put my car in the garage.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right.
You got to.
And I drink some chowder.
You get a wicked ticket out here.
Yeah, I get a wicked fucking ticket.
Then you gotta go to Southie to fucking pay.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy.
It's where the blacks is at.
Yeah.
I mean, Mookie's cool.
He's all right.
The rest of them, I can do a little less. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Go on that side.
What a parade. Hey, take that unopened beer and chuck it at our manager's daughter. Hey, that's smart. Hey,
let's do that.
Yeah, we do some more of that, guys. Because this is only our 9th parade. We don't know how to celebrate.
We don't know how to do these things. What are we doing?
Imagine if we had 27 of these bitches.
Oh
my God.
It would be a common thing that occurs. But it's not because we're losers. We're lovable losers. Highest payroll in baseball. We were supposed to win the World Series. I mean, statistically, but
hey,
we're lovable underdogs.
Hey, you know what? Why don't you guys do the drop? Me and Sally over here, we gotta catch the T before it shuts down for the night. Unlike the MTA in New York City, run 24/7.
Yeah, but not that we care about that.
Not that we care about
New York or the Yankees. We don't care about New York.
Do the drop.
Yeah, this is the fuck New York parade.
Yeah, do the drop. Also, I feel like Milk Studios was in Boston to be a better thing, but that's neither here nor there.
Yeah, do the fucking drop. Get out of here.
You get hurt up.
Shifty, low down, gritty and grimy.
Shifty. I mean, this is how the
Yeah. And the nigga's verse was like, I'm the worst piece of shit human he has ever heard, or some shit like that. I was like, wow, that's very self-deprecating. Shout out to Onyx for being mad self-aware. Be like, yo, nigga, we're trash. We beat people up. Toxic masculinity.
Yeah, build a time machine and go back to the 90s and go talk to some rappers about toxic masculinity. So make a song about you called bitch ass nigga need to put your skirt up. It's the intro.
Oh shit!
It's a little hot in here because the AC is so sexy. We have access to this room like 24/7, right? Why we don't shoot Pino in here at night?
Yeah.
Actually, our insurance forbids it. I swear to God.
Boo.
It's like no nudity.
And no fighting either.
No nudity or fighting.
Damn. I gotta cancel the baby fight.
We could just get more insurance.
Oh, yeah.
What about cockfights?
Either, either kind.
Damn, whatever. We're just trying to diversify.
I'm mad broken glass on my dick. Like, It's like old rich white guys are sitting around like betting on us. Like, Some old
niggas smoking hand roll cigarettes like ding, throwing down mad foreign currency and shit. Like
Ted Turner has like a Dominican flag. Like, security guard comes in like
Pedro Martinez joke. I'm proud of you, man.
I don't see anybody in here. Security's like, no, it's an empty room. I ain't saw nothing.
Just wrapping fucking foreskin in the gauze and shit, dipping in glue and glass. Ready for the cockfight, heavyweight cockfight.
You don't know what the corner people are doing.
Nah. Niggas from you think that one man Vaseline?
Just cut it. Oh.
My cut man's a rabbi and shit.
You're losing. Get your head in the game.
I'm schwitzing out here. I'm schwitzing. We gotta cut you. Come here. I'll suck the blood out with my mouth.
True story.
It's not nasty because it's true. It's not nasty because it's true.
True story.
You gotta do more than that. You gotta do like, I dare you to smoke with me.
I don't have an AKA. I guess Young Bruno Mars.
Bruno Mars.
I'll leave it there.
Baby coconut oil. You know what I'm saying?
The fact checker. Young 4C, her curls.
Young Questlove, step up to the plate if you want. You know what I'm saying?
Young come with your paper corrector, don't come at all. Young independent film. Young,
You know what I'm saying?
young ciabatta.
You know what I'm saying?
Young, what is it? Chai, what's that pudding you always eat?
Chia seed?
Chia seed pudding?
Yeah, see?
It's a superfood.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
I just imagine this nigga like taking the pit out of an avocado and putting mad chia seeds in it, just eating the whole shit like nigga superfood. Raw. Just like punch a hole in the wall.
Let's fucking go! Superfoods. Film in front of a live studio audience.
Yeah. This nigga beat Chad Ochocinco on FIFA. Holla.
True story.
True story.
What happened now?
Get it right. We beat Chad Ochocinco, who claimed to be undefeated in
I
FIFA.
saw that.
Got smashed
I saw that.
by young coconut oil. You know what I'm saying? AKA the contract god.
Damn, they had 2 dead bodies in that room. Juice Box and Ocho Cinco.
Oh,
no, he's mad big. He's
damn.
mad big. Let's show. But it was on
Victor wants all the smoke.
but it was on an
Victor said,
80-inch
"Come for
TV. Everybody saw that shit.
Victor said, let's go.
Yo, the intros was like, damn, this getting washed. My God.
Wow. Never meet your heroes.
Also, he's mad smaller than I thought. I'm not saying that like in a beef way, but
Nah, he
like
said that in a beef way. Mero wants all the smoke. Live from Milk Studios.
Yo.
It's a Mero wants all the smoke
with every
podcast.
celebrity.
Who's next on the smoke list?
What's good? It's just some mad random. Like, yo, Jonathan Taylor Thomas was good.
JTT wants all the smoke.
You come in like one day, like Matt earlier, I'm just fighting Justin Timberlake shirtless for no reason. They're like, yo, what's going on? They're like, I want all the smoke, nigga. What the fuck?
Oh,
You
shit.
had cornrows in '98.
Wow.
You violated.
Wow, take that,
Take
JTT.
that. Imagine he gotta have a fucking picture of that somewhere in his crib and just look at it from time to time like, damn, I was doing a lot.
I was that nigga.
I was that nigga. He says that shit too. Look at that.
JTT could say the N-word. He provided us with more than enough fun in our lives.
Him and Timberland
He's like, yo,
gave us what, Mad Tommy music?
okay? I was that nigga. All right?
Look at this 90s power couple.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Fucking, DiCaprio birthday.
It's their whole swag, B.
How I feel to hold a nigga's dick in public.
Duplicate swag cloner. Yo.
Crawford and Tyra Banks.
Wow.
Leo did
On
that?
top, by the way. Shouts to you, Tyra. Well,
Leo
that's
did that?
Jonathan
Wait.
Taylor Thomas.
JTZ?
He dated him?
No, but he's,
Oh,
he
yeah.
got the juice.
He got the juice, but you know what I'm saying?
They were just hugging him like, he's like my little brother.
Yeah.
The milk.
Oh, shit.
Not related to Milk. Then we gotta shoot. We gotta refilm those for Milk Studios. Yeah, all of us, Hasan and Victor,
Got milk.
got Milk.
Can we please be barefoot?
Oh yeah, you got to, got to.
With our jeans like cuffed up to the like the calf and shit.
But we're gonna do it for breast milk.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Sounds like get this motherfucker started.
Let's get this motherfucker started in here. Let's get it started.
Yeah.
Lock in.
Oh, we're not doing the intro yet. I mean, we're good. I'll remind me to put it in when. Wait, remind me.
Hey,
to connect when you do this.
It's like, damn, nigga, is this consensual? Like, I gotta remind you to put it in?
Like I got my Apple Watch. Like, I'm like, hey, cock a clock, cock a doodle doo. That's hillbilly porn.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Sis, I'm running late for the reunion. You about to run later.
Bring out the conks, bring out the conks, bring out the cock-a-joe, cock-a-joe.
Oh God, you tried to find me opening the box of mom's opioid pills.
Oh, no.
What can I do to get away with this?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Even if we did another 90 minutes, there'd still be a disproportionate amount of like cock-based content.
You know what I've realized?
Let's turn off these mics and ask ourselves some questions.
You know what I realized? Young kids and teenagers love cock jokes.
Yeah, they do.
They love that shit.
They're
We
great.
got to get to
Shakespeare
this. We got to get to.
Yeah.
We have not made it until we are at the Nickelodeon Teen Choice Awards.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
Get
what,
slimed.
get slimed with the little blimp and shit.
Mero,
like, yo,
and then Mero curses.
Yeah.
Yo, motherfuckers.
Yo, shout out to all y'all fucking 12-year-olds.
It's like mad white kids with retainers. Like,
You see mad rubber bands pop at the same time, like pop, 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 pop.
So Oystein, the fucking orthodontist in Jersey's like, yeah.
Yeah, about to cash out. Yeah, can't wait.
Beth, cancel that vacation.
Yeah.
Old Saul's back in business.
Back in business.
I told you the streets was calling me.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Guess who's going on a tropical vacation
All
without
right.
you, broad?
Fifth Boca House, here we go. Shout out to the Jews. We love the Jews. We stand solidarity with our Jews.
You know what I'm saying?
You know,
Shout out
we the heaviest Jew podcast out there.
Yeah,
all right.
According to the Jewish Wire, B.
Okay, to the Jewish Wire.
Yeah, we
which
didn't
is
make that shit
not.
up.
Do not get it because that's a magazine that is not a reboot of The Wire starring only Jewish people, which would be lit.
Yo, imagine the Wire in Crown Heights. They're burning bread and shit. They start throwing dope and shit.
You doing Hasidic Jews? I was just doing like modern regular Jews.
Regular
like,
Jews. Yeah,
like,
okay. I was doing like
They're not
super
selling
extra,
drugs or nothing. They're just like renting apartments and shit, and subletting.
Just hanging out, just doing it.
Just doing Jew shit.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Just
Our other show from ABC, Jew shit.
Jew shit.
It's a show. It's like a game show. We have to do Jewish things.
Okay. Like, be like, yo,
No, like modern. Like you just like go to the store, get a bagel.
Yeah.
It's not.
Yo, let me
it's
get
not
some,
heavy.
Let me get extra schmear.
Yeah, no, like a regular bagel and shit.
No extra schmear.
No extra smear.
Just regular?
Maybe take out a city bike. Be a little anxious.
Regular, yeah.
You know, just regular shit.
Just regular Jewish shit.
Regular Jewish shit. Read the New York Times.
Talk to your mom, get guilted on the phone for like 20 minutes. Like,
Shlomo, I mean, you haven't called me in like 2 weeks. You don't.
I got a new job at BuzzFeed.
Do you even care about your mother anymore? I mean, come on. Like I sit home, I'm schwitzing. I'm going through menopause,
Wow.
and you didn't even check on me.
That's stereotypical and also factual. I don't know where I stand on that.
every time I see my mother call me, I'm just like, decline. I'm like, yo, I'm in a meeting. I'm gonna call.
What did she call you about?
Did your mom not have the internet?
No, he said his mother-in-law.
Oh, mother.
Yeah. No, my mom will call me 28 times in a row. She don't give a fuck what I'm doing. That's why my phone is always on silent, because otherwise it'll just be like WhatsApp messages like bing, 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 bing,
I'll
bing,
be real.
bing.
I can't imagine being married, but if I was, I could totally imagine myself screaming, "You're not my real mom!"
Wow.
Just like running out of the room.
Wow.
I hate you, mom. I mean, wife. It's like we get shit. She's like, you're weird.
Mother-in-law.
Like, you're fucking weird.
What do you have her saved in your phone as? Her first name or mother-in-law?
Her first name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mother-in-law is like, imagine, like, because I would
Sometimes
be
you gotta let
embarrassed.
people know. Sometimes you gotta be like sister. Just let them know you fuck with them. You don't fuck with them like that. Speaking of Jews, that guy, remember from our famous illustrious show, we did a special.
Yes.
Not a special. We did a segment about a Jewish guy that had mad guns.
Yeah.
He is now offering to any synagogue or rabbi a free AR-15
What?
or a handgun in lieu of in the wake of the Pittsburgh shootings.
Wow.
So shout out to Max.
Yo, shut the. Okay.
Burners.
Okay. Forgive it.
All right. I guess this is code room. We got Jews for Jesus. We don't got Jews for guns. You guys don't want to see the Jews. You don't want to see Jews armed.
You don't want to see the Jewish
Yeah,
center
give it
protected?
up. Yeah.
Come on. Protect this Jewish
Protect
center.
the Jewish people.
You know what I'm saying?
What's wrong with you?
Come on, son. We got to hold down the Purim Carnival.
There we go.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't even know what that. Oh, that's what the Halloween is.
Yeah, it's like the fake Halloween. Yeah.
Okay.
Niggas dress up twice a year. I'm like, yo, you lucky bastards. You fucking.
But do you get? I mean, Halloween just passed. Did your kids rack up?
They racked up.
Do you check the candy for needles and?
I just eat it all.
Yeah.
Even if I think I might have ate a hypodermic needle last
Damn.
night. I probably did. I definitely ate a razor blade.
Niggas just crunching on that shit. Like, mad blood coming out his
You're
mouth.
like, yo, why'd they put this in an apple?
Shout out to all the little kids that came in my building. I had individually wrapped lima beans for them.
Yo,
I created a horror. I turned my apartment into like a haunted house. Turned one corner, it was like student loans. And look here, where I went to the emergency room with no insurance. Like
she's pregnant.
and she wants to keep it.
You were hiding a child.
Nah, hiding the child that's in right now.
That's the popping.
What was it? Because hiding a child right now has replaced those backpacks, the little pouches that go across your chest.
Yeah,
those are,
the crossbodies.
On the fashion report,
That's
is
right.
out. Hiding a kid is in.
Crossbodies are out. Hiding children is in.
You let them know,
You know
Ma.
what I'm saying? That's
okay?
right.
And I've always been an early adopter for the secret family movement. Shout out to
Yes.
Miss Saga.
You know
You got a child. They don't got to be with you all the time, and the time you spend away from them makes them more fond
That's
of you.
right. Wait till y'all see my other two kids that I
There you
never
go.
mentioned. You know what I'm saying?
Like, if you listen to this podcast, you think, listen, do the math. Mero's Dominican, I'm Jamaican. One of us gotta have at least one secret family.
Fam. I mean, I went to DR every summer as a teenager.
There is a village in DR. This is like little Dominican kids running around with chains and shit.
Like, ball bags.
Everyone's like, oh, okay.
What is that? Papi, ¿qué es lo que significa ball bag?
It's like they're all at school and like the bell rings. They're like, suck my dick from the back. I'm like, wow, this is like, oh my God, there's like 1,500 of them.
It's fucking cacophony.
My God. That's the word of the day. We gotta have like a bird come down.
It's like, yo, cacophony.
We should start sliming. Yeah,
do that. Yeah.
Oh, we gotta start sliming the guests. But since it's milk, we just pour
mad milk on them.
Just make like a white fluid just come down out of a bucket on them.
It's like old moldy half and half.
Oh.
You need the consistency.
You got splashed.
Yo, you got splashed. This shit that
So when
forms
they
on
see
top
the
of
secret
sour
word,
cream.
it just like pours down on them. It's a little thick. You nasty. It's like sour cream. No, it's the white sauce from filet of fish. Yeah, a little tartar sauce. Yeah,
Little tartar sauce with the little green
filet of
specks.
fish. Shout out to I forgot the name of the magazine, but they wrote a beautiful essay.
I think
about
it was Newsweek, yeah.
the filet of fish being halal.
Halal,
It's
yeah.
good for Muslim America. You know, it's still filet of fish gang over here. You know what it is. All right, when you go to McDonald's and they charge you $8 for it, you know why. Put some respect on it.
Yo, fam.
All right, I swear to God, if we on camera now. So if Mero say some hot shit about filet of fish, I'll bust him in his fucking jaw. Okay, I'll bash with my filet of fish. I'm gonna rip my shirt open, have the wild filet of fish chest tattoo,
Like
like an eagle holding a filet of fish.
Fillet life.
Filet life.
50 fillets, nigga, with the AK.
The hate you give fucks up L and fish things. I have a fillet. I have a fish like under my torso, like Rihanna. Like, what's that right there?
Right into the cleavage and shit. Like, yo, the wild trout.
Halibut, nigga. Wow, halibut.
A wild card.
Yo, McDonald's, if you're listening to this, you need to change up the viewpoint of the fillet of fish. And I think the best way of doing that would be to send me and Mero to live on a boat in Alaska, getting the fish for it.
Like some ice road shit. Like,
Were you gonna say Ice Road Truckers? Because that's a terrible show.
it is awful.
Okay.
It's terrible. It's
All right.
bad. The other one where they're fishing for crabs and niggas die all the time. And niggas
Rescue.
die. Like,
Yeah.
Niggas die like it's no big deal. Like, yo, we're catching lobsters, motherfuckers. Oh, yo, Bob fell off the boat yesterday.
Yeah.
And they just ain't mad calm. Like, yo.
Look at that very rare limited edition fillet of fish.
Shit, look at that.
Look at that.
Yo, pow.
Sent to us by McDonald's. When does that expire? Never.
February 33rd.
No, actually, I think it does have an expiration date.
Yeah, at the end of this year.
Yeah, make sure you get it. Make sure you get it. I blessed everybody with those. All my niggas eating fish. Remember when Ghostface was like, "We eat fish and spaghetti"? I was like,
Whoa.
I was like, you are mixing two meals.
Yo, you're already there?
That wasn't Black Rob?
No, he was like, I was
that's
already
already-
off fish and spaghetti.
already,
But
yeah.
I think Ghostface said it first because Ghostface said it on like Cam A or something on his first album.
Yeah.
But
Shout to him. Yeah.
that was like one of there's very few times.
Was he gonna
I
run a
am-
marathon? Like, what kind of meal is that?
That's a regular meal. It's delicious too.
carbo loaded.
If you broke, just get some sardines in there. Oh yeah. Jamaicans do a lot with sardines. I remember like I come home from school and my mother would have Ritz crackers with sardines on a plate.
Niggas said
All
sardines.
right. So fuck y'all. Y'all eating your ants on a log. Nah, nigga, we eating sardines on crackers, saltines. All right, just getting the wild high blood pressure at 5. Nigga got the gout in kindergarten.
Is that like
Or with Jack Mac. Y'all don't know about Jack Mac and you drink like the red sauce? Yeah.
Oh man.
You like it when you're a kid, and then when you go to jail, you like it again.
Oh man. Mm-hmm. It's a school to prison pipeline. B. Keep decalcify your pineal gland. Keep it.
They gotta come up with a better name than school to prison. What prison to school to prison?
School to.
They should call it parochial to penitentiary.
parochial to penitentiary. Honestly, every Catholic school kid that I know did a bit.
I mean, Catholic school kids, you know, like they don't want to seem puss, so they gotta get
They gotta go up mad hard. Like, yeah, I'm wearing khakis, nigga, but I still bust my gun.
That's
I'm like,
right.
yo, you're wearing a tie, and you clipped it on your shirt.
They be wilding on the Metro North, the little Fordham kids.
Oh,
They be wild. Like they don't want to move from like in front of when the doors open. And it's like, listen, you know, I'm a simple man.
yeah.
You know, I'll fuck a kid up.
I will watch you, B.
Those little
Like-
Fordham kids. And you know what? I'm not doing it out of meanness. I want you to learn. I
Yeah,
want you
just
to learn
learn,
that
yeah.
you. Did you see on Twitter about the kid that wouldn't move his legs on the subway seat?
And Shorty
The guy
just sat
on it?
on. Yeah, that's how you gotta do it.
Yeah.
Back in the day, we used to just get fucked up for no reason and then question why. Like and
Correction wasn't punishment.
Yeah, like, yo.
Someone beat your ass, and you know that's
you're just a little nigga on the block.
That's what
I'm
happened.
gonna whoop your ass and then keep it moving, laugh about it. You can watch me smoke my L and wonder. You know what I'm saying? Sit on the stoop, cry, you little motherfucking hurt.
trying to get this little. Yeah, because you know once you get your ass beat, or like if you drop the blunt and they hit your hand mad hard, or punch you in the chest.
Oh yeah.
You learn.
Yeah.
You learn. You know there's repercussions
And
for
also,
every action.
There's and then also there's a hierarchy on the block. Like if you get sent to the store, you're the doja.
Yeah.
You're the doja. Like
I remember when I was a little kid, and it was like I guess the person I replaced as the doja was kind of feeling some kind of way, and like he was trying to order me around and shit. And so as a kid, I was like, wow. I'm gonna have to shoot this guy. I remember really sitting there and like I was really planning to shoot this guy. And I remember what would happen was like every Saturday night, like all the older guys on my block would drink 40s and smoke blunts and shit. And then like everybody, you know, at the end of the night around midnight, everyone would like go off in a different you know, some people go fuck a bitch, some blah blah blah, go rob a nigga. But he would always go back to he lived with his grandma or some shit. So there was like a 2-block radius where he'd be walking alone, and I was like,
ooh, I'm catching
I'm gonna fucking pop this thing in the
Damn,
back of his
cased
head.
him.
And I was like, and you know, cause you're young in New York. You're just like, yo, in your head, I'm like, what's the worst? I shoot him, I go to jail for like 10 years. Yeah, I know I get life. I don't want to get life in New York.
I try to bug 50 a dude I ran into in a park, and we had beef, and I completely missed and cut his arm. And then I was like, wait a minute, we go to the same high school. I was like, I'm gonna see this nigga on Monday, and I just sliced his arm open with a box cutter. I wonder what's gonna happen. And guess what? Nothing happened.
He didn't do nothing?
He didn't do shit.
Damn, he's mad buns.
Yeah, he
Right,
didn't
listen
do-
to
I was
this
gonna say,
shit right
did you see him
now.
on Monday?
Yeah, I seen him on Monday, and he didn't say shit. My man looked straight at his Jordan laces. I was like, yeah,
Wow.
motherfucker. Next time it's gonna be a grill. I think
That's okay.
evil laugh.
Okay. Shout out to Whitey Bulger.
Yo, he's dead.
Yo,
They murked him.
Isn't he?
They stabbed him to
Isn't he?
death. I would be glad. I mean,
They
like,
didn't. They more than beat him to death. He was in a wheelchair.
fam, you're 90.
They beat him to death with a lock and a sock. They shanked out his eyes and they attempted to cut out his tongue using a box cutter.
I mean, to be fair, like he was 80. You're
Then
89.
they
You're
wrapped
90.
his body in a blanket and put him back in his bunk.
Ugh. I mean, that's how they do it. That's how they do it.
He stitched.
Yeah.
Listen,
Yeah.
listen. A lot of y'all,
The prison
they
burrito.
come. I'm saying they come to y'all and they're like, "Yo, sign this paper, testify. You think it's all good? You back at home with your kids?" But apparently, there was also though. I guess the Aryans were under pressure from like the blacks and the Latinos because they were like, "Yo, you just
Oh,
gonna
you gonna let the snitch rap?
cook?"
Oh, word?
So
That's how y'all move?
and that was a good look for any like young like white gangster. Like
Yeah.
you take a whitey boat. Oh man,
Man, he's getting a swastika tatted right now. Like, yo.
He's the man right now. He
I
getting
did
extra
that.
honey buns.
Hell yeah, bro. Getting wild toppy in the bunk.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Maybe. You know what I'm saying?
yeah. I mean, yeah.
I mean, hopefully for him, like, I mean, yo, if you do some shit that's gonna add like another life sentence to your life sentence.
If you already got a life sentence, fuck it. If you got a life sentence, that's unlimited lives, basically. you wild in jail.
You can do what you want.
You could like fuck up niggas' meal plans. You could fuck up
Yeah.
niggas. You could,
Bro, you can smack a CO.
assault a CO.
Yeah.
And niggas don't get mail for 3 weeks. And you like, what? Do something, pussy.
I
Come
dare
in
you.
my cell.
I dare you.
I dare you. I dare you. I'm collecting L's like fucking we in a cipher. Let's go. Niggas is working out all the time. Doing the 52 blocks.
Nigga somehow got the torso in there, like
You want that
fucking that shit up.
Cause you got time. Well, that's what. Remember that documentary about Rikers, and it was like the only thing jail taught me is how to have time.
Time, motherfucker.
time from
Every
you.
dude did the same intro too. He's like, I gave these crackers 10 years of my life.
I'm like,
Like,
yeah.
whoa. Like, goddamn, that shit made me. Yo, you have a birthday cake, a nigga?
See,
I'm
Shit
like, yo, what
that.
the fuck is that? I'm like, so birthday cake and boom is when niggas sleep in the cell. You got problems with them, you know what I mean? You catch them, you know what I mean? Beat the shit out the nigga, you know what I mean? And then you put tissue in between his toes and you light the shit on fire. You know what I'm saying? The nigga's birthday cake. I was like that.
doesn't sound like fun or happy at all. I was like,
I do the time when I was like, this ain't for me. Like we was locked up in bookings, and it was like a Crip nigga came into the cell, but it was like all bloods because 47 precinct in that area was like all bloods at the time, and they made the Crip nigga dance on the toilet. While singing medication, he was like, "Ooh, medication." Oh man, I was like, "Wow." I was like, "So I could possibly do this for the next 3 years?" I was like,
"Probably let's not."
Shit.
I'm
I
not
was like,
finna
"We
do
not
this.
doing this shit."
No, we are not. No way.
I was like, "Nigga, I've only eaten shredded wheat for the last 3 days." And meanwhile, I'm just like, "Hey, is there a Wi-Fi code in here?"
You just looking for the paper on the wall that
like,
says the Wi-Fi. Like,
Can I borrow your laptop? I need to check my Gmail. Excuse me, officer. Do you have access to Coinbase? I need to see what my bitcoins are.
Yo,
That's how you should ask me. You be like, you know what? If you guys just put like a Nest camera in here,
So,
like
you know,
you guys
like,
wouldn't even have to work as hard.
Yeah, like
Okay.
just keep an eye on things from far away. Like you don't have to walk past them.
Nigga doing HGTV in the cell, like,
I
there's
like
a lot
this-
of metal and
yeah.
cement. I really wanted more of an open floor plan.
Yeah, I don't know about the toilet in the middle of the room.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
We were looking for something more medieval style.
Yeah.
And apparently there's a dope fiend on the floor dying. So that's going to go on the negatives.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have anything
Definitely
else to show us? Oh, cuffed up again? Okay, all right.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right,
Yeah.
sorry.
Oh, full
Sorry.
shackles? Oh,
All right.
you feet too? Okay, cool. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, you're rearresting me for something I did. Oh, okay, great.
Shout out to everyone getting arrested and they take your retina scan and you're like, holy fuck, I did not know about that. Also, people they're gonna swipe your DNA now.
Oh,
And
shit.
you write it. And they also don't fall for a trap they do when you go into bookings. Before you go to the metal detectors, there's razors on the floor.
Oh, shit. So they could, then they open
If
up
you're
your
stupid, you're gonna
budget.
try to boof a razor, and then now you got additional charges. Don't fall for it.
stupid,
Don't
yeah.
fall for it.
I've been there. Yo, listen, it's funny when they going down the line and you going through, and then a cop pulls one dude out of the line, and is like, "Yo, you're under arrest for XYZ," and homie's already in bookings and is catching another charge while he's
Yeah.
already about to face a charge.
It's like
that shit is.
It's like
wild.
when you use 2 coupons at Target.
Yeah.
it's the prison version of that. It's like I have half off and 30% off.
Yes,
All right.
I'm using both.
Yeah, it's like the judge does that to you. You don't want that.
They should do that shit because a lot of them coupons like I'll say on the bottom like these coupons cannot be combined. They should do that shit for prison and jail and shit. Like you cannot combine these two things. You know what I'm
They
saying?
have that. There's like concurrent versus consecutive
consecutive
charges.
yeah.
So
You know what I'm saying?
catch charges concurrent.
Yeah, catch the cases
You know what I'm saying?
concurrent. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
Who said that?
Okay, that was Big Noid.
Big
the God.
Noid, yeah.
Big Noid, the God, whose baby's mother called him to jump me and my friends, and he did not pick up the phone. So shout out to Rapper Noid.
Yo, Rapper
for ignoring
Noid.
him.
Yo, we're taking it to the top, kid.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna say Shorty's name because she's problematic, but this is a hot take. When you have sex with someone, you take a piece of them with you, whether not spelled right, you embrace it or not. Their energy is there. Better make sure you only have sex with people you want to be like.
What?
This is the hot take hour.
What?
With Desus and Mero.
So only have sex with people
People you I guess you admire.
Who-
People out there
like-
that are like their body pillow.
Yeah, like what the fuck is that? Like, okay, so I'm only gonna fuck people that like what?
That's people you want to be like.
I don't
You
want to
should- you
have
should
a
fuck
big
Diddy, I guess.
Yeah, like what? Like I don't want to have a big ass. Like
Valid point.
you know what I'm saying?
Valid
Like,
point.
I don't want to have the wild
That
yeeks.
would be very telling. If you look like the people you fuck, damn, I have some big ass titties.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
I come through looking like a star tender, nigga. Like, yo,
Mero, you been eating?
oh shit.
You been eating your rice and cabbage?
Yeah, that's right, daddy. Like,
Who do you think
yo,
tweeted that?
I come back. Had to be. Oh man, somebody with like
I'll give you a
a
hint.
filter in their
She felt the planes out in Africa.
Oh wow! Oh
Yes.
no!
That's the Messy Report, sponsored by Milk Studios. Live from Milk Studios. If you're lactose intolerant, you're gonna be shitting your pants.
Yeah, that's right.
Miss me with the dumb stuff.
No dumb stuff.
No dumb stuff.
All right.
That's right. We back in Milk Studio. I think that's why we're extra messy today. Is that what it is? You know, this cool
I
week
can't
ass. We had
relax.
Jonah Hill.
Yeah,
You know
come
what I
on,
mean?
son.
Another illustrious guest in the seat over
You know
here
what I'm
today.
saying?
It is Victor.
The God.
You know what I'm saying?
Why, hello.
There you go. Listen. You see Victor, you put some respect on his
Some
name.
motherfucking
I'm
respect
tired
on
of us being backstage and y'all thinking he's our little brother. He's the cash man.
You know what I'm saying?
You ever see? Do you see Casino and how they protected the what was that guy's name? The first guy.
Fuck.
Not Al Pacino. What is his
Sam-
name? De Niro. Yeah.
Sam- yeah,
You're that
Yeah,
guy.
one of my favorite lines. He goes, "It was fucking amateur hour."
Yeah.
You could tell with the Barch car bomb and he's with the green visor on. Green visors reduce eye strain.
See, that's why you got to protect them. Task Force protect Victor at all means. Yo, shout out to HQ Trivia. We came through and burned it down.
Bodied it.
You know, we bodied it. You know what I'm saying?
Mad
Sorry
people's tight.
if your kids are exposed to the real.
Oh, yo.
You made your kids hop off the porch. Your kids came to you afterwards and were like, Daddy, what's a foreskin?
Daddy, what is shit?
Daddy.
Stop lying like you never stubbed your toe and were like, shit,
You know,
in front of your kids.
It was like, Daddy, what does it mean to pay a woman to have an abortion? It was like, well, how did they fit that into the 10 second questions?
There was 10 seconds in between answers. How did they do that?
Daddy, how I copped these bricks and flipped them. Let me know. The Bodega Boys changed my life. Yo, if you got kids and they're innocent and they come across this podcast, you fucked.
Oh, you're fucked.
You're fucked. Your daughter gonna start dating black and brown guys.
You're gonna open the fridge, the baking soda's missing. You're like,
Like,
yo,
oh,
where's
shit.
what the fuck is the?
They rapping this shit. Let me have some little white kid. He told me to suck my dick from the back.
We already got Di wearing phone posits.
Shit.
Look at them shit is holographic.
You know what I'm saying? About to get the go-go band in here. We got the drum set in the back and shit.
That's what we need. We need a live band. Yo, if you listen to this and you're in the New York area and you play the drums or the piano,
Come through.
or the guitar,
Yeah,
come through. You could be our house band.
Or the tambourine.
Yeah, you could be our house band for.
Mad niggas gonna line up. Y'all play the tambourine?
Okay, your shit can't be whack.
Yo, let me tell you something.
Also, if you have a band and you have like brass instruments and you can play like modern music, hit us up right now. We might have you open for us at our Madison Square Garden show on 11/11. Because that's what I want. I want that instrument.
You know what I'm saying?
Imagine niggas playing
wow.
God Bless All the Trap.
You know
Playing
what I'm saying?
Check
Like,
West.
do you know what I mean?
On the shit like,
Woo!
oh.
Check West.
I want to hear Mo Bamba on the tuba.
Come on, B.
Come on.
On a French horn, nigga.
Because you know we bringing the heat.
Bring your oboes.
The Roots used to tour with a dude called Tuba Gooding Jr., I believe.
Oh, yes.
Tuba Gooding Jr., right? Yeah.
Wow.
I mean,
Or was it
wow.
Mo Steph in them?
Wow, geez, not to brag, but also shout out to the Roots who we just saw. when we did the
Jimmy
Fallon show
for the sixth time.
Wow,
Wow, hello.
Jordan rings, nigga.
Yeah.
Jordan rings. Listen,
Just go like this with like Fallon's face.
you know
Like,
what I mean? You know how serious it is? We've been to Jimmy Fallon so many times. Jimmy, the security guard, says, "Hey D,
Hey,
it's good to see you."
Hey, good to see you. Welcome back, guys.
And I know his name.
Hey,
He's a
how you
good
doing?
guy.
How you doing?
Okay, I know not to take
Hey.
photos in the hallway. I know all that stuff.
For security
For
reasons.
security reasons.
That's right.
Beyonce, he goes, Beyonce and Jay-Z go this way. You don't want to give it up.
Come on.
Hey. Also, so shout out to Ari Melbourne. whose show we also
yes.
did.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
the
you know,
beats.
The
You know what I'm
beat.
saying?
As the beat goes on. Which was a great song from Grand Theft Auto,
That's right.
Vice City.
Yes.
Which tricked us, and the beach was the size of the actual city, so they were just like, it's double the map. But it was like, what, the early 2000s was stupid.
We were just hyped. We were just
hyped.
hyped to fly a helicopter.
Haven't played Red
like,
Dead
with a-
Redemption though. Haven't played Red
Dead
Dead
Redemption,
Redemption
yeah.
2.
Yeah.
But there's an option to pet a dog in it.
Really?
Yes, you can pet a dog for 60 hours
What?
if you want to do that. Or you can get a shootout on a horse.
That's lit.
Oh, you think it's lit? It's not guns from Grand Theft Auto.
Oh no, it's like the
They're old school guns.
It's like the old school.
Like, you don't just
yeah.
hit the button. You gotta like cock it and then shoot
and
it.
shit, yeah.
Nah.
Oh shit.
Please, Rockstar, listen. You know I love you. You know I fuck with you. Let us have the old Grand Theft Auto style cheat codes in there.
Yes.
So we can have machine guns. And
Yes.
I want to mow down all the animals.
Yes. Give me a helicopter horse.
Yes. Give me a rocket pack.
You know what I'm saying?
I feel an expansion pack coming.
Yes. Bodega Boys in the Midwest.
In the Midwest. You know what I'm saying? We just
Like,
out
they're like,
there.
what y'all boys doing here panhandling gold? Pull out the wild AK like, nigga, I pull off the fucking IRC from Black Ops 4. I'm like,
What up?
happened, nigga?
What up, nigga? What?
He was like,
What?
What is that? Is that some sort of witch's brew? I'm like,
What?
nigga, it's a holograph scope,
Yo,
nigga.
this is a Draco, nigga.
Nigga, I'm looking at your infrared outfit right
Motherfucker.
now. You better walk away.
Shoot, boy, shoot.
All
Nigga,
right?
just like-
Start shooting at that legs and shit. Shoot. Hit a nigga with a fucking FMJ. You want that shit?
You want that? Huh?
Nigga
You
be
want me
like-
to come through a Kimbo, nigga?
Nigga be like, yo, tired of y'all niggas. I'll be like, okay. You know what? I'm tired of y'all niggas to calling that hellfire.
Yo, I got a 25 Kill Street nigga calling this nuking. It's a rap for y'all.
All right, shout out to Black Ops 4 with the
You know what I mean?
12.8 36 gigabyte update. This week.
Wow.
You know how fucking sick I was when I came home from work?
Fair.
And I was like, I'm about to play some Black Ops 4. And my apparently Russian Xbox One was like, Niet!
No.
You are not playing!
No.
You are downloading!
Yo,
and then I was like, is my files mad slow? What's going on? But no, it was like, that's a chunk. Listen, that's a... In the quote, you know, I'm probably with someone would probably say at a BBW party. That's a big bitch. Okay, you gotta let the whole
Yo, you know
whole update come through.
The whole shit, and you go and do some other
you
shit,
know what the
bro,
shit is?
and come back, and it should be a 48%.
And they did that bullshit. They always do a Call of Duty. Well, instead of like making the weaker guns stronger, they made the strong guns weaker. They fucked up my
why'd
ICR.
you do that? Don't do
and
that.
that fucking dog is still unkillable. I killed a dog the other day, and someone in my mic was like, "Thank you, bro." I was like, "Yeah, you good."
You good.
They were like, "Good looking nigger," and I was like,
Thanks, I appreciate
we
it.
were so close,
Appreciate it.
so close.
Almost.
Also, the 9-bang is overpowered, and so is the so is Ajax's shield. Fix that.
Fix that shit.
All right, just the Black Ops report.
You know what I'm saying?
Or there's like mad 13-year-olds like,
Talk that shit. Talk that hot shit, bro.
The Black Ops report sponsored by Mountain Dew.
Extreme.
Get extreme. Also, go to 7-Eleven. If you open a Pepsi product, underneath the cap, there's double XP point codes. No, I just made that up.
Man, I was about to say, you're literally nerfing like John Elway right now. Remember when he fucking threw the fucking nerf ball out the stadium? That was in the heavy like cap era.
Oh man. Do you remember?
I just reminisce of the days of the noob tube.
Who here is washed enough to remember when there was iTunes codes underneath the bottle caps for Pepsi products?
Oh my!
And you can
God.
buy a song from iTunes.
Yes,
wow. To all you young kids out there, yes, people used to buy individual songs.
And a song by itself.
You would have to hope it was for sale.
Yeah.
Okay. Because if you didn't, you just had to buy the whole album. And you know what? You might have liked one song, and the artist was like, "Yeah, all my other songs sound some other shit."
Yeah. I'm growing as an artist.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If you like my last album, you're gonna hate this shit.
Or they're gonna
but
do
you're
like
gonna pay for it
the radio remix of their most popular song. Like, what the fuck is this shit?
4 times on the same album.
Nobody want that.
The shit out of here.
So now you have Apple Radio and streaming. You know, now you can make sure you listen to a song 400 times.
Yes.
And your favorite artist goes home with 8 cents.
Yeah.
Unless they're Drake or Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
New Democrat.
Yeah. She's politically active.
Politically active.
That's right. Shout to Tay Tay. Like,
Is she cool now? Doesn't matter.
I mean, like I feel like the whole reason I just don't fuck. I don't bang with her music. Like, I don't know. Like, it just doesn't. It sounds wrong.
Thanks for clarifying that.
Yeah,
the world was not sure where you stood on Taylor Swift.
I don't bang with Taylor Swift. I mean,
right.
I'm sure nobody at this table really got Taylor Swift in heavy rotation.
I mean, if we want to keep it funky, "Safe and Sound" is one of the best songs she's ever made. It's from the Hunger Games soundtrack.
Well, our song, which she was like truly indie, bro. that was her Infinite by Eminem.
Did she do fight song? Is it "This Is Our Fight Song"? Is that our song? Is that saying?
Probably.
Is that her? I don't know.
Maybe.
That sounds like the song.
Or Halsey.
That song sounds like the theme song for white female empowerment.
Oh my God.
That's like, I've had enough in this office. I'm not putting up with it anymore.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I'm sick and tired of this.
She goes in, she prints out a sign, and she turns one of the men's bathroom into the female bathroom.
That's right.
And she's in front of it like this with her arm folded. It's like, "This is my fight song." They're like, "Yeah, Sarah."
That's right.
Yeah.
Get him, Megan.
Put on a pink pussy hat.
Yeah. That's right. You were told by Apple Care.
I voted for Trump, but fuck it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, if you mean I gotta leave early to call the.
Don't be bad. Don't feel bad. 53%.
All right.
Don't feel bad now.
All right. We don't know what y'all did in the booth, but you know.
You know what you did
You know
in
what
the
you
booth.
did. You brought us
You know what I'm
here.
saying?
Because I'm looking on Twitter, everyone's like, I'm fed up with Trump. Oh my God, I can't believe you're doing this with his rights. I was like, I don't know how you voted, Ma.
Yeah.
I don't know how you voted.
I don't know. You look a little funny in the light.
You know what I'm
Look a
saying?
little funny in the light.
You know what I mean?
Look a little funny in the light.
Like, I'm looking back and you don't have any political tweets before the election. You know what I mean? Nothing scarier than like white women who think Trump is sexy. Because it's like, what kind of weak dick are you getting?
He's 71.
Yeah, but you see, and they're like, "Oh, he's so sexy," you know. Like, damn, her husband must be giving her the wild Vienna sausage,
Fam.
the whack MAGA sausage.
Fam, you ever seen them Pinots where it's like a straight grandpa like smashing like a 20-something?
First of all, like,
No.
who watches nasty Pinot like that? Secondly, you know the fuck I have. You know I've clipped on those thumbnails. Like, yeah.
I just see it because
This is nasty. But I'm gonna watch all 4 minutes of
fuck
it. Yeah.
Fuck it. Shout out to the tube sites for saving motherfuckers so much time now. And just when you just hover over, you could just see it up.
preview?
Yeah. Like, yo, fam.
Sometimes can I tell you?
That saved me like 3 years to my life.
This is where the pervert and the fucking computer programmer, they clash in me because the pervert loves that shit. The computer programmer is just like, that's extra bandwidth. Like, why? Like,
You're wasting bandwidth.
Like, we don't need this.
We don't need this.
Why are they? They're using bandwidth for a video they're not going to watch.
They're gonna click it anyway, man.
Like, it's better if they just click it and then click out.
Yeah.
Then you register the click.
Then you register
give
the
it away
click. It's a unique view.
I'm yelling in a board meeting about web analytics. Everyone that's got like a piercing and shit. There's mad fucking dildos on the
They're
table.
like, what the fuck is shit?
They're like, fam, we're running drugs through the company. We
You're
don't
like,
give a shit.
You're like smashing a fleshlight. Like, god damn it!
I was like, listen, we have to upgrade the servers to IP6.
Smell lube squirts out the fleshlight. Like, oh shit, damn.
Lube. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lube. Like that dragon lube at the old office and shit that mysteriously kept getting lighter and lighter. Like,
What old office? MTV2? Yeah, exactly. Exactly, nigga. Exactly. This is my fight song. Shout out to my Knicks who are playing basketball.
yeah, they're playing basketball.
You know what's funny? They
barely playing.
You know the basketball mode in Rocket League?
Yeah.
They play that. The theme is based on that song.
Oh boy.
So it's,
I knew it was gonna be a rough season when we were at the opener, and
let them
they
know.
really had. I don't even know which play it was, but they really had one of the players come out and be like, "We're gonna try really hard this season."
Yeah.
I was like, "Damn, all right."
That is such a Knicks thing. Like every other team is like, yo, we're gonna go hard. We want all y'all behind us.
They're like, we want everyone to have a good time.
Yeah, like, yo, and it's Lance Thomas of all people. Like, no, don't bring out the rookie. Don't bring out Kevin Knox. Don't bring out KP in a suit. Yeah. Don't bring out David Fizdale. I'll call him Trisdale.
We're gonna have everyone call him Trisdale.
Trisdale. You know what I'm saying? Don't bring him out. Bring out Lance Thomas. To like 8 people in the, I think you have to work for NBA TV to know this nigga or be a Knicks fan and have him come out and be like, hey y'all, thank you for coming to our season opener. We're gonna try really hard. You know what I'm saying? We put our pants on one leg at a time, just like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna give our best effort. We love you. We're gonna play basketball. Thank you. Goodbye. And everybody else is just looking around like, what the fuck? What? Like,
That's just how it goes, man.
Like,
you know what? But it's tank season. We want the Knicks to tank, so we want them.
Low key, yeah.
All we want is the games to be competitive, and if they lose at the end, it's not that
It's
bad.
fine,
We
it's
still
fine.
got to tweet like,
Yeah.
"Oh, damn, we lost," because it hurts when they lose.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the bigger picture, it's the big picture.
And then
Also,
this next draft is
speaking about teams that have no future hope of ever being great, and no matter what moves you make, you will forever be on the bottom of America's shoe.
Trash.
The Mets have signed a new GM.
Oh.
And guess what? Their new GM used to be the agent or the rep for Jacob DeGrom, Noah Syndergaard, and Cephalus.
Oh.
So that's not a conflict of interest
not at
when
all.
it comes time for him to
renegotiate
with the fucking players.
Yeah, let's restructure our contract so these niggas get all the money.
Yeah.
And we just get some Dominican guys from the bodega across the street to play at the infield, the rest of the infield. That's what you get for talking all that hot shit when the Yankees got eliminated, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to every Mets fan that was talking cash shit during the World Series about my beloved Yankees.
Fam, like, what
It's
are
like,
you
yo,
doing?
you are a Mets fan. Why are you talking cash shit? And I ain't talking about you, Kevin, at Barstool. You coward.
You coward.
Talk about my fucking Yankees one more time.
Come to Milk Studios. I'll fight you shirtless. We'll drink a Bud Light after.
He had a blistering 1,500-word essay about the Yankees
I'm like,
for
yo,
a T-shirt.
Yo, KFC can do a fucking TED Talk on the fucking Yankees, B.
Also-
and scream the whole time.
Also, in this order, I would like to tell Katie Nolan, Bob, what's his name?
Bill
Bill
Simmons.
Simmons, and Charlotte Wilder. Y'all can suck it from the back.
Suck it from the back.
Because you know what? Y'all got 9 championships against our what?
27.
27.
Motherfucker.
27.
Oh,
That's right.
most of those were before you were born. Don't matter, motherfucker.
Doesn't
They're there.
matter, all right?
They're there.
A lot of y'all don't know slaves built Yankee Stadium, so I'll take it. I don't know if that's true or not.
it
was called the Polo Grounds.
It might could be. It might could be.
It could possibly be. If we dug up underneath Yankee Stadium and there was like a slave burial ground, they'd be like, whoa. Where else you think you wanted to do that?
Hey, come on.
Come on.
How else were we supposed to build the fucking stadium back in
Is it my
1805?
fault Jackie Robinson died there? And I'm
Huh?
like, it wasn't Jackie.
It wasn't Jackie
Robinson. It was another black person.
Robinson.
I mean, hey, what do you want? Hey, it's the birthplace of hip hop. You got to put some bones in the ground if you want to make it happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Cool Herc, put the seats in.
Okay, hip hop. Do you remember that movie, The Babe, with John Goodman about Babe Ruth?
Oh,
they played it on the MLB network yesterday.
With John Good. Wow, John
And you know
Goodman.
what? I was like, wow, look at the erasure of Dominican fucking
That's right.
culture.
That's right.
So we all know.
Yeah.
Babe Ruth was what?
Dominican.
Babe Ruth was what?
Dominican.
Babe Ruth was what?
Dominican.
Give
Look
it
at that
up.
nose.
Get
Look at that nose.
Get okay.
Get okay. Oh, so you give a Dominican man a nose job
Wow.
and put him in a movie.
You put a white actor.
You know what I'm saying?
Hot take.
You know what I'm saying?
John Goodman playing Babe Ruth is no different than Zoe Saldana playing Nina Simone. That's what I'm saying. Babe Ruth was not Anglo-Saxon or Caucasian.
That's right.
He enjoyed his platinos.
See what I'm saying?
He had 3 secret families.
It's like fucking Scarlett Johansson
He
being in
didn't
Akira.
he didn't send any money to them. For the Showtime show, that's what we definitely got to do. The story of
The 30
Babe
for
Ruth.
30?
The 30 for 30. El Babe.
El baby plátano.
Yeah. Fucking P.O. was talking to him like, you gotta come out, my nigga. You gotta come out, my nigga.
Come in now. My nigga, come on. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
You gotta do it, my nigga.
Come on. It's for us. It's
You
for
gotta
us.
do it. Now I
It's
gotta
for
go
us.
Connecticut. Listen,
Connecticut. Shout out to Connecticut.
what black Yankee can I claim as Jamaican? Gary Sheffield. He was always angry.
Sheffield, yeah.
He was always angry.
He was always mad.
Gary Sheffield always
Yeah.
came on the plate like, why are the lights on?
Yeah, and you know his name is not really. It's not Gary. It's like probably
It's
like
Carl.
Gareth.
It's Garrington.
Garrington Sheffield.
Garrington Sheffield.
Come on,
that's a Jamaican
That's
name.
a Jamaican ass name. Come on.
Garrington Sheffield.
Yo, come on.
Oh wow.
And I'm motherfucking mad as fuck.
That is definitely the best tax attorney in Montego Bay. Garrington Sheffield.
Call Garrington Sheffield. Are you upon foreclosure? Call Garrington Sheffield.
Sponsored by Excelsior Crackers. This is just an ad for cock soup. I'm like, just add the cock to the soup. I'm like,
Okay.
all right.
All right.
My mother comes, what are you doing? I'm like, they said put the cock in it.
And that's how I got circumcised.
Olive, he put his cock in the soup. I'm like, it's the thing. But
But
my parents would wait till Sunday to not bring it up in front of all my sisters. So they're talking to me privately. I'm like, what if you talk about
Why'd you
cock
tell
in the
us?
soup later?
Come on,
What's wrong with y'all? Y'all embarrassing me for my
You're
sisters.
embarrassing me, man.
I thought
They ate it anyway.
I'm saying she was delicious. What's wrong with y'all? I be trying to cook. Put it right here.
Y'all be hating on me.
You saying? If it wasn't for me, the house be a mess because I am the only one that pulls up a broom in this place. That's what my mother said that every Saturday morning. I was like, yo, lady, I'm trying to watch cartoons over here.
Yo, come on, Sonic the Hedgehog about to come on. Hello.
Also, I don't want to beef. I'm only 7. I have no idea why I'm eating wheat germ for breakfast.
Yo, hello.
I'm pretty regular. No, I do not want codfish clip. I don't want codfish oil. Shout out to everyone out there drinking that 7. What is it? 7 Sevens?
Oh man.
In the blue. Oh no, Feral. Oh man. You're not Yardie if you didn't start every day with Feral.
Feral.
Shout out the new sponsor of the.
Is that the
new sponsor of the podcast? Feral.
That's the what's the
It's like a fish oil.
Oh.
Hold on. When you see the box, you'll know it. Because
I already know.
every weed spot you've ever copped at has
this
it.
shit.
Yeah, man.
Oh, the cod oil pills.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What is it? What's it? Yo? Why did I?
Feral compound. Ba, 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 ba.
Yo! Whoa!
You know what it
Oh
is.
my God! Yo, why was I forced to eat this as a child?
There you
B?
go. You take that right
Yo,
there.
they're this big, my G.
Oh, you're talking about that's not the feral compound. You're talking about the 7 C's cod liver oil capsules.
Yo,
All right.
Yo, my
Cod
mom was
liver
like,
oil, vitamin A and vitamin D.
I'm like, yo, I can't. This shit don't even fit in my mouth.
You
Hey,
mad
yo.
now, but look, you alive.
Then I'm browling.
Okay? If you was a Dominican, if you was still with the DR, like 4 of your siblings would have died. Okay? That's all we had. We didn't have vaccine. We just had cod liver oil.
Cod liver oil. That's it.
Just take that and some oatmeal. Little Horlicks. That'll get you through the day. Now go to work at 7
That's it.
a.m.
That's it.
Hopefully you get back home before the dogs get you.
Here, drink this thing that you think is soda, but it's really a laxative.
It's Wednesday. You just wake up. It's like wash out Wednesdays. Oh, my butt. You go to the house with a Reader's Digest to read it and use the toilet paper. Yeah.
Yo, shout out to everybody that have shit in our house. You know what I'm saying? I wipe the ass.
Shit in the house keeps you humble.
Yeah, it does.
I gotta go back to Jamaica. I gotta go back up
Yeah.
to Baker Mountain. Y'all know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't run up there because the goats got guns. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah, they don't play.
But yeah, I gotta go up there and be humble and just live there with no Wi-Fi, no electricity,
Nothing.
no paved roads.
No.
Even though across the street is like a 4K production studio, 4 transmitters.
That's just to get you mad because like, yo, I'm in a cinder block house across the street from a fucking mansion with a steel iron gate that's like 80 feet tall, so motherfuckers can't get in and out. There's like 2 Audis parked in the driveway and shit. I'm like what?
I'm like, y'all got Wi-Fi? They're like, no, we don't have Wi-Fi.
No.
You look at your phone, there's 28 Wi-Fi
28.
networks. They all got whimsical Jamaican names. Under the sea.
Motherfucker.
Good shit.
I know about y'all.
Feel the rush, feel the thunder.
Yo, all my island people, share your Wi-Fi, yo.
Nah, no. Whoa. I need an emergency alarm button. Like, whoa.
My mom's gonna crash through the roof. Like, are you stupid?
Okay, Mero's clearly trying to fuck up our Digicel money over here. Do not share your Wi-Fi. Everyone knows if you are on a small island, Wi-Fi is more precious than fresh water,
fam.
and you only use it when you go home and get on other people's Wi-Fi.
Yeah, you need
Share
that.
people's Wi-Fi.
You need that for your WhatsApp. That's true.
I think,
You know what I'm
I
saying?
really think in the Caribbean, sharing Wi-Fi is a bigger crime than homosexuality.
It is.
Okay? How dare you?
You're doing double life.
Doing who you
for fucking sharing
open
Wi-Fi.
network?
You don't have a password?
The jury's like,
Guilty. The judge is like, case closed. Boom, boom, boom.
throw him out.
With the powder wig on and shit. Like, get him out. No, get him out of my sight.
Oh, shit. These are the powder wig. They don't really fit. It's just like,
Shit sideways. Like four walls. Shit.
sit sideways.
Wig in the days.
Oh, shit. Oh, man.
Yo.
Wow.
Motherfuckers will send you up to fucking La Victoria, motherfucker, for that.
Is that the most notorious prison?
You know what I'm saying?
We gotta go there and shoot Prison Break.
You know what I'm saying?
We go in there and you just in there for a week, and I come in. I'm like, I'm here to break you out.
Fam,
I'll be like, yo, I got a map on my back. I turn my back. There's nothing there. You're like, yo, fam,
there's nothing there.
I was like, shit. I scheduled.
I'm like, don't worry, I got us.
I scheduled an appointment for next week. I got arrested too early.
Yeah.
I got games.
I wanted to get a good I
didn't want to like the
just
whack
go,
nigga
you know
shit.
what I'm saying?
Like,
I don't want to just go to the show for them right there, like just some.
So how
what I'm
long?
saying?
Like, what is bitches?
I want to go to Tough City and shout out to Mero and them, but like, sorry.
Boo! This Prison Break
This
sucks.
Prison Break is bad boring. They're not even breaking out, even trying.
Like niggas just playing spades all day.
The second episode is just we just give the prison guard $20 and he lets us out.
I was like, oh.
Oh, was that simple?
Fox is like, yeah, we ordered 16 seats. I was like, nah, we're just gonna chill for next.
We're just
one.
gonna chill. Yeah, prison. We out.
We out of prison. Niggas he calling the house like, yo, did you break out of prison? I'm like, nope.
Nah, I'm still here. Go check my bunk. It's just like a fucking mannequin in the bunk with your face painted on it. Like,
This is mad episodes of us going to visit other niggas. And the guard's like, did I break out? And we're just like, walk out fast. Niggas catch
Niggas
us.
still got the shackles on. Like,
Niggas catch us with like bass, no backseats, can't do it. Sorry. You on bass? How you feel? How you feel? Circle, dot. Now I got my prison shots. Circle, square. Now I got them everywhere. You feel stupid. No black baggage, no petty tax. Miss Mary Mac.
Oh, dress and black.
He's like, all right, they got out.
I think they got out. Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did the black magic. Yeah.
That's right.
We did rock paper scissors, but they did black
Shout out to
magic.
the homie Taxstone. Offer a guard $20. We break you out of there.
We break you out of there.
How much you think? You know what? I know COs. It wouldn't be that much.
Yeah.
It would not be that much.
It wouldn't be that much.
We could get Taxstone out of jail right now with a Bodega Boys chopped cheese t-shirt.
Probably.
Totally.
There's
I
definitely one
guarantee
CO who's like, yo, word?
So I'll release everybody. We release Taxo, Bobby Schmurder, Martin Schreckle, everybody coming home. All my niggas free. All my niggas. I'll be like, nah, light Martin Schreckle up again.
No.
That nigga gonna come home. Give us a woo album.
They trying to sneak out like behind tax and shit. Like,
What are you doing, beloved?
yo, chill, you wildin'. Get the fuck out of here.
Get the fuck out of here, Martin.
I say that to say this. This nigga's behind me. He's trying to sneak out. Get this fucking Yakubi and devil out of here. Yo, my God. Shout out to Klay Thompson for scoring 1,000 points in a quarter.
I mean,
I guess.
that's cool. I mean, but I don't want to like brag, but my player did that in NBA Live 95.
That's
way
right.
back in the day.
That's right.
He had sunglasses on.
That's right. Mero Martinez playing shooting guard for the Knicks dropped 98.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying?
In one
NBA
quarter.
Live.
In one quarter.
6'9" shooting guard Mero Martinez.
All the sliders at 99.
At 99, you know what I'm saying?
You make a dunk from half court.
Don't give a fuck.
EA Sports was like, why do we have to put limits on it? Who would dare like make the best character ever?
That's right.
All my characters are 6'9". All the unlimited stamina.
7 foot point guard and
Like
shit.
crossing niggas up.
Crossing niggas up like, what's up?
Still the most fulfilling dunk was Coach K95 when you could break the backboard.
Oh, yeah.
When your team was rocking and like the crowd was going with it.
Yeah.
They never made another Coach K. They have. I just haven't bought it.
But
But you know, fuck it.
shut that up.
I gave up on fucking Live 2018. Fuck it. That shit's too
Live?
hard, dog.
The last live I copped
shit's
was
ridiculous.
literally was 09.
Nigga,
Not
even
even-
Wale,
not even
I was talking
joking.
to Wale online, and he was like, no, Wale was saying online, every player on the computer is like fucking Kawhi Leonard. You
Yep.
cannot get to the hoop on the shit.
can't.
I've gotten maybe one dunk.
Fam, if you play on regular and you don't put it on like rookie mode, like easy mode,
Fam, on
like,
rookie mode. On rookie mode, nigga, be trying to lock you down.
niggas pick you up at half court, like, yo, body you up and shit.
I'm watching watching people
what
play
is
at like a
this?
barbershop and niggas getting frustrated because you can't just like chuck a shot up and like magically have it in. Like the shit to do math and
Nah, B. Back in the day, it used to be like if you just released the shot at the right time, like you could be Dikembe Mutombo, you're sinking that three.
Could you give me a Stella? But no more of that. Now it's like you gotta like study your character and all. Fuck that.
Like
I don't want realism.
he has a really he's you running plays and shit. Like we're
Listen,
gonna run.
Desus and Mero, we're
pick and
bringing
roll.
back NBA Street.
That's right.
The streets need NBA Street.
Like no physics, no real
And,
physics.
and we're gonna have the WNBA in it because
That's right.
we're all inclusive.
That's right.
And we're gonna make $1 million.
Oh man! So if you ever wanted to dunk on Elena Deladonna with like fucking Ron Baker, you could do it.
Oh my God, that sounds great. We'd be like, cookies. Oh wow. He's heating up. She's on fire.
She's on fire.
Why don't they let us remake that?
WNBA Jam.
Okay, I didn't say that.
Let's do WNBA Jam. That should be lit.
I mean, it would, but I don't know. That's a very niche.
That's a very niche market.
You have to, because just now you can mix both of them.
True.
So why would you like want to alienate like half your fan base? But
true.
the WNBA Jam is like you just want to like just call it Jam.
Jam. Just call it Jam. And Jam. And welcome to the Jam.
And you should be able to play as like WNBA players with NBA players.
Yeah.
That should be lit.
Yeah.
You saying?
You know what I'm saying?
And then like against aliens and shit.
Yeah, all that.
All
And
that shit.
everybody could dunk for half court. Like,
But then all the players are equal. It's like
Yeah.
you can fight an NBA player. You can fight a WNBA player.
that would be fucking lit.
Just have like if she gets a hard foul, she's just duff you because it's street ball.
Yeah, you coming in for a dunk, she just low bridges you and shit, and then you fall and break your arm and
She said,
shit.
get up, pussy.
Yeah.
Your meter is like, your manhood meter is like, her manhood meter goes up. You're like, oh shit.
It's like injury, dick shrinkage.
Oh wow. They just carry you off like boo. We do it at like West 4th Street. It's one of the things. It's like mad Swedish tourists in the back with mad things. Like, look at the blacks.
Whoa,
wow, they
whoa.
jump.
Oh, they jump very high.
He's like Alvin Ailey.
Oh,
wow.
my goodness.
They taking mad photos where you're trying to shoot and shit.
Tagen.
West 4th Street. You got a West 4th Street. That's a hoop. That's a court. You got that.
yeah.
You got the Rucker court. You got
Dykeman. You know what I'm saying?
You got Dykeman. What else is a good court? The first annual Desus Nice Memorial Basketball Court on Gunther Avenue. My parents made for me.
shit.
Shout out to them.
You know what I'm saying?
It's no longer there. There was no hoop. We were playing. It was it's Lammy's now, but it used to be Jerk Paradise. And there was a sign on the back said no ball playing. And so that was the hoop.
That was hoop.
That was the hoop.
The sign is in the
sign.
whole thing. My pops found a rim in the garbage and just put that shit on the side of the fucking
Oh my God.
where the garbage was. Well, you know, you could go down the building to throw the
Yep.
garbage out, and they could put the hoop down there and shit. Because he knew the super.
When you know the super, you get away with shit.
You get away with shit.
My building just did a policy. If you lock yourself out, it's free the first time, $50 the second time, $100 the third time, $150 the fourth. It just keeps going up.
It's what?
And the super was like, there are people on their fifth time. I was like, what? He was like, yo, people getting fucking schmizzed on Friday.
Yeah, I mean, it's Friday, B. Like, you avoid the bookings. And
I mean,
remember your
I drink
keys.
a lot. I don't be getting schmizzed like that. Like, no, niggas, like, I mean, I'm not gonna make it hot, but I have seen people rather than pay for the super to open the door, they just sleep in the hallway and wait for the roommate to come home. And I'm like, yo, don't do that on my floor. We have the nice floor.
Yeah,
we have jack-o'-lanterns. I don't know what y'all be doing. Y'all's floor be smelling like the loud Pacquiao, and I pay way too much for that. My unborn children are not here. I have 2 air filters, and Charlie can't be breathing this shit.
Yo.
And we just got the Amazon Hub.
Oh, man.
Which is like the future. It's like you put in a code and it opens up and you get your package.
You get your shit.
So, but it's like from Amazon because you think it's so cool. You just order mad unnecessary shit from Amazon.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Amazon is a digital Target.
It
bro.
is. No, it's worse than Target. It's like, damn, I was about to remember Dollarama on White Plains Road. Woo!
God damn.
96 in the house. But yeah, it's just worth it. I ordered 18-inch LED white curtains. Why? Why? I'll tell you why. Because Amazon, the notification came up on my app that was like, you don't have this, but you could.
You could.
And I was like, I don't need it.
Other people are buying
And
it.
I closed the app notification. I'm just sitting there and I'm just like,
I wonder.
you know what I need? Some LED lights.
Damn.
From a curtain.
Fuck it.
They got all types of stupid shit on there.
Hey, bro, I
But
ordered.
that's like a foot and a half.
I ordered a.
How big is your shower?
Oh no, it's not for your shirt. It's like for your windows or something. You could, like, you know,
That fucking.
nigga taking the wild canary bath. Like, look at the lights. Lights just covering my nipples.
Was it at the end of The Pest where John Leguizamo like wears the shower curtain? And he's like, about to do
He's
one
like,
of
"That
those,
one's
make them all
fine."
back rush.
Oh, you watch John Leguizamo?
I'm Colombian. I have to.
Wow. I like humor.
Yeah.
Nah, shout out to him. Spico Rama was great. I love that guy.
Yeah, he's funny. He's good. He's good.
Nah, I always like, coming up.
He's good. He's good.
Coming up, I always was just like, who is this guy? Because I was like, he's just like some Spanish dude. And I was like, there's no way he got like staying power.
He's out here.
He's out here.
That's Benny Blanco from the Bronx, B. Don't
He's
forget
Benny
it.
Blanco. Then he was also in John Woo.
Yeah.
He was in those Optimum commercials.
Yeah.
Then he was in the Easy Pass commercial about you don't need Easy Pass anymore. You could just keep driving straight. I want to know what that check was like. Yeah.
Back in the day.
Forget it. Forget it.
This is a John Leguizamo appreciation post.
Shout out
Give it
toast.
up for him.
Toast
for
to
our
John
guy.
Leguizamo.
Our guy.
Toast to the guy.
Shout out to the guy. The comedy guy.
Remember he had the sketch show Bugging Out?
Yeah. Listen, your man was out here. He's done some
He's
things.
out here. He's done some things. You know what I'm saying?
He's done here.
Sold out shows.
Is that some shit?
Broadway shows.
That's how you when you go into a HR meeting. That's how you know you're popping. It's like he's done some things.
Oh, he's the
Because I mean, as hip hop culture becomes more prevalent, like you're gonna go to HR meeting, they'll be like, oh, they look at the resume, they're like, oh, you was really out here.
Oh.
Okay, wow.
Oh,
you went to Harvard.
Oh, you was out
Oh,
here.
you dead ass.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, snap.
Okay, so I see your resume. You were with the shits.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I heard you had. Oh, from 2016 until the present, you have shit
Like,
lit.
well, we've looked here and it says, listen, you used to bust your guns.
Yeah. So
I mean,
that would be a tremendous asset to our company.
Okay, oh,
So,
shit.
yeah. Okay.
wow.
References. Go fuck yourself. So,
Okay.
references. SMD FTB. What does that mean?
Wow. Bust on the ops when you see an ops. Well, we
okay.
definitely see that because the only op around here is, you know,
Operation.
yeah.
Yeah. Smooth operation.
Okay, like Sade.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
Smooth. Yo, Sade is timeless, bro. It really is. It's so
Yeah.
timeless. It's
Yeah.
like so timeless.
Also, if you put it on when you boning, like the girl feels you appreciate it.
Yeah, like it's
Because
really,
it's
it's actually like romantic.
You can't be
boning
fucking
music.
a girl like fucking Future or Little Baby.
Yeah.
Or fucking,
What was the last song y'all guys smashed to?
Sade song?
No. What was
Song
the
period?
last song? Yeah, that you smashed to?
Oh man,
Bartier Cardi.
Bartier Cardi and Bartier. I like hot sauce on my chicken. Bitch, I ain't
It was a
tipping.
good
I
night.
like hot sauce
It
on
was
my
a good
chicken.
night.
wow. That's crazy, man.
Yeah, I
The last,
I probably boned to like 10 wins or some shit like that was on in the background. Like, I'm smashing in the bathroom like while kids are brushing their teeth.
Wow.
Like, I'm
The
just
last thing I smashed to, just my sleep apnea machine.
to my sleep apnea. No!
You ain't got time to get the mask on. Like, you stop breathing, shorty. Know she killing it.
Wow! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that triumvirate of smashing music.
Okay.
Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm over here smashing to the Eagles. He's smashing the sleep apnea machine. He's over here
Right.
smashing Amigos.
I'm like typically the 21 Savage feature.
I like get freaky, kink the hose.
Then let it go. Let me get that burst of oxygen. Oh my God.
You nasty bitch.
Oh God. I feel so alive for the very first time.
You nasty bitch. Spit inside my
Smashed
humidifier.
the POD when I was in high school.
Shut the POD.
I'm so alive for the very first time. Wait, turn that down. My mother's coming in.
I feel so alive.
And that shit was like just after 9/11.
It's fair.
Yo,
Yo.
taking off of that.
We are
The youth of the nation.
Were they a Christian band also on the low?
Low
They
key,
were another one.
like they snuck that shit in there.
Them and Creed.
Creed.
Yeah.
And what's her name? Bring Me Back to Life.
Evanescence.
Evanescence.
Oh
Yes.
my
We
God.
talked about this constantly.
Yo.
I refuse to believe it.
Think about it.
They were goth.
Listen to it.
They were goth.
They were goth.
Let me prove it to you right now.
Believe it.
Bring me back to life. Jesus. Think about it.
He said,
If you say Jesus after every one of the verses, I'd be like, holy shit. Bring me back to life, Lord.
I thought you said that like
life.
I thought you were saying that like somebody ad-libbed that on this track. Like, bring me
But
back
you could
to
definitely
life.
see that.
My nigga Jesus.
I mean, that's in general. Like I booted and rallied and come back to life. You know what I mean? Like I refuse to believe it.
He's like, you will not ruin my college experience.
Okay? I mean, what do you think Bring Me Back to Life was about?
I don't even know. It was just like, to me, it was just, all I remember about those type of groups is the dude that they have that's like, yo, yeah.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? After the
Here's the
short
lyrics. Wake me up inside, wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. My nigga, that's gospel.
It's God.
That is gospel.
It's like dark and miserable for no reason.
It's
I've been
God.
sleeping 1,000 years it seem. Got to open my eyes to everything. Don't let me die here. Bring me to life. That's God, nigga.
that's God.
That's what you say when they're baptized you. Bring me to life.
It's a new genre,
All right?
bro. It's a new genre, bro.
What's Justin Bieber's pastor's
It's
name? That's the shit you see at
gospel.
that hill shit, that wave hill.
I think it said gospel.
Gospel. It's not me with a lisp. It's
All right,
gospel.
I'll accept that.
All right.
Let's compromise.
We have to
gospel.
bring like dance hall gospel. Okay?
One punch Jesus cocky.
Here you go.
One punny Lord.
Give me the tightest life me ever felt in my life.
What is Egyptian doing? I've wondered about that every once in a while.
He's holding on to
Egyptian
something.
had a tiny desk performance.
Yeah, he did.
White people really don't be knowing.
Yeah, they're not. Yeah, they're like,
Listen,
yo,
when
they
we
was-
get that shit in a Pixar movie and we are the voice of penguins,
Oh, I can't wait.
we are going
Egg
to...
me want to just warm you. Seat me butt right upon you. Seat and warm you until you
tightest
have
hug you ever felt in my life. Emmanuel, the older otter, has to get home on the outback. He lost his parents way back. And I'm like,
Whoa.
whoa, I'm a lost dingo. Voiced by David Cross. Emmanuel, don't you know toilets flush the opposite way in Australia, you dingbat? Starring Susan Sarandon, Lisa Bonet, Little Yachty, Little Baby, Drake, Drake's baby, Victor,
Little Drake's baby.
Little Drake's baby,
Little Victor baby Drake's Victor Vuner Mars Jr.
the guy in
You're like,
Saudi
what?
Arabia that had the journalist killed, Donald Trump,
You mean the Crown Prince?
the Crown Prince, Cardi B, Nicki Minaj,
Cardi B?
Cash Doll, Malibu Mitch,
Yo, Bad Bobby.
Bad
Baby.
Bobby, Dream Doll,
NEC Carolina.
Ebro,
Lauren
And-
Styles.
and just added Lord Dern
Kissing Baron Davis on the mouth.
on our new movie Outback, starring Otto, the Emmanuel, the Otter.
Can they do that? Yo,
We have Chris here like, Otto, you so dumb. And we just cut to the credits. White man. Otto's voiced by Andrew Schultz. Yeah. I would watch this movie.
crack ass otter.
Watch this. For some, okay, here's the whatever. Okay, Crystal is a mongoose. Andrew is an otter. They committed some sort of animal crimes. They are in a car. It crashes, but they're shackled together, and they have to go across the outback together.
Oh my God.
How much? 250 million opening weekend on Thanksgiving.
That's it.
You know,
do
like we selling the Otto dolls. This shit. We got Andrew
Little
and Crystal
bobbleheads and shit.
at fucking Comic-Con.
Niggas doing cosplay.
Yes. They had a panel talking about like, oh, we can make money.
They got some real calm voices on the read, but you guys got Crystal hot right now.
Yo,
Yo, imagine cosplaying as Schultz. You go to Comic-Con and niggas will be like, "Are you G-Eazy?" Like,
While we joke, we need to do. We joked about it early. We have to set up. We got to do a month where all the black podcasts do each other.
Yeah.
So we do like a crossover episode. We could do one with
Drink Champs,
85 South.
85 South. You know what I'm saying?
The others we get some.
Fan Bros. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking everybody, man. The whole,
Not everybody.
Niggas are not everybody.
Everybody.
Oh damn.
Nah, I got people we fuck with.
Oh yeah.
Because you get the people like, yo, come my sword fucking podcast in Iowa. I'm like, sorry. Like,
He's like, but I'm black.
That is not the barometer.
That's the only requirement. Like, if you're a black podcast.
That was 2 years ago. We don't do that shit no more. We used to look out for black podcasts now. Now it's all about that money, baby.
Oh, how can we forget Arian Foster?
Nah, we're not. Come on, man. That nigga got a podcast. That nigga be singing. That nigga love his kids. Get out of here. It's just annoying.
Yo, he's mad brolic. He
Mad
took out all his hair.
He mad brolic, but
Damn.
this nigga mad brolic and smart. Like, enough.
That's not fair.
Yo,
Pick something, man.
Come on.
And he be playing the piano on IG like no big deal.
Matter of fact,
and like mad soft jazz.
So
Yeah, I'm fucking talking to you, Arian. I'm tired of you.
Warning. This is a warning, Arian Foster. Stop enjoying life.
Stop being so
Stop
goddamn.
enjoying life.
Stop
This is
being.
Stop being a Renaissance man.
I swear to God, he told me like right before he was on the show at Viceland, he was like, "Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to school for physics," and I was like,
See?
"That's mad cool." I was like, "Why?" He's like, "Yo, I don't want to die with the tank like not on empty," and I was like, "God damn."
Damn, bruh.
That shit sound exhausting and shit.
Yeah.
You know how exhausting that shit is? I bought an automatic feeder for Charlie. I have not used it. I have not set it up. And I've just been putting the cat food inside the bowl for the automatic feeder. That's how lazy I am.
Fam.
So to hear someone talk, like, you know what? Arian Foster. Me, you, Mero, Victor. We climbing Mount Everest.
That's it. We got to do it.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's go. I'm gonna take a nap by Green Boots.
Oh shit, my phone
Okay,
is
I
already
might die.
ringing. My phone is already ringing.
Let's go.
Nigga, let's do it. Oh, okay.
We're doing it in just North Face and regular Tim's. This is a Nike tech suit. Nigga, I ain't bringing no oxygen, just mad bloods.
Nigga, I come through with the fucking vast boots and shit. Like, yo, what up?
Nigga be breathing hard like, man, you just be chiefing like, weak ass. These are got weak baby lungs and
Fuck
shit.
out of here, nigga. I got the vents open on the steep tech and shit. Like, yo, I don't go fuck, nigga. We good.
Shit.
You blow the whistle on the fucking class when you get in trouble.
Blow the whistle.
Nigga.
Blow the whistle.
Hey, no music. Niggas on the mount getting light.
You get to the
Niggas
top.
is intense freezing and shit. We
We
out
got
there
like, they know. We gotta call P.O. He come through with that. My nigga, I got oxygen check for you, my nigga.
my nigga, I bring it to you the oxygen. And it's just.
We just passed like some white explorer. He's like, this is my third. This is our fifth night on the summit. We have run out of oxygen. I don't know what's going. Are they smoking hookah? Nigga, Mero just flipping the code like, he's in his hand.
We just holding our hands over the shit, keeping that shit warm.
Yo, this shit's cool. Yo, Victor, turn on Spotify.
Yo, that's my yo. Turn your Bluetooth off. It's interfering my shit, my nigga.
I'm like, oh shit.
Come on, man. I want to hear no more Fall Out
shit.
Boy.
Yo, From Underneath the Cork Tree is a legendary emo album. Okay, it set the tone
I do the shoot
for
dance.
Panic at the
I fall
Disco.
off Mount Everest. I come back 2 days later like, yo, I feel the snow. It's alright though.
I'm good.
Yo, who got a charger? I'm trying to finish the circles on my Apple Watch.
Yo,
I'm trying to go in the tent. I'm like, Victor, this thing on Palimas in there. This nigga spanking.
I just zip the tent and put it put Tylo string on the bottom and
This
shit.
nigga jerk off into a straight line and just break it off.
Use that shit to cover the tent.
Nigga use it as a lock.
Yo,
He's like, why y'all we climbing down? I'm like, nah, nigga, we got hoverboards. Nigga taking the scammer boards down, like doing circles around dead niggas.
our tent is the only shit that got the fucking fox lock on it and shit, like the wild hood lock. Like,
Victor's like, oh, 1, 2, who's Mero, where are you? This nigga Mero catching a tag on someone's corpse. Mero was here.
bro, was here. This nigga dead.
Just writing toy on a
I
board.
checked. You wild pussy, you dead.
Oh, the Bodega Boys go on Mount Everest. Yeah.
Niggas wasn't built for this shit.
Oh shit. Niggas just stop halfway and record a podcast. Live from Everest Studios.
Yeah, yo.
We get to 32,000 foot elevation. Hasan has like a studio set up.
Niggas nigga's just up there
He
chilling.
got mad Sherpas bringing like mixing boards and shit. He's like, Victor, we good with the invoice? Victor's like, yeah,
We good. We straight.
Everyone's like,
Steve's got the anime sweat from the accountant's office. Like,
he's like, what's going on? You guys owe $150,000 to the Tibetan government for broadcast rights?
let me say this one time.
Hey,
Steve
Mero.
always lets me know the balance. He goes, we paid it down to 0.
Yeah.
That's why I begs with you, Steve. Okay.
Yo, we live from Mount Everest. You know what it is. And you know this. Bodega Boys in the building at episode 133,000 elevation. You know this. Also, we want you to know we got the pop-up shop right now. If you want to come through. Woo. Oh, shit. Mero spilled his lean. Mero spilled his lean. Oh, wow.
Lean.
Wow. Wow.
No.
Wow.
No, that was my fucking honest iced tea.
Wow.
No, I needed that.
And backwash,
Wow.
which is kind of hot.
Yo, try to do these bottles that keep shit cold, but they're mad cumbersome, dog. Like,
For you. For you. I've never seen anyone else spill that.
I got big hands.
I'm going to buy you
I got a
that.
big wingspan.
I saw on like,
Gotta put a cup holder on the table.
I think it was on not HGTV, I guess Home Shopping Network. They had like a bottle. It was a thermos for like old people that have Parkinson's, and you can't knock it over.
You can't knock this shit over.
Get that for you over here, old Spiller McGee.
It's called not being a toddler.
You know what it is? This just shows you that you're getting money. Because let you waste a whole fucking iced tea when you was a child.
Fam,
when
I
your
would've
parents
been
came from
sick.
DR.
Oh, I would have got my ass
Your parents would have stuffed you in a barrel, put one stamp on it, and sent you away.
Oh, man.
They don't even put a location that does wherever he ends up.
Yeah, take him there.
Send him back or nah.
Nah. You said we catch me selling peanuts on the highway in DR and shit. Like,
Out on the highway, out on the highway all night long. Was that about selling peanuts?
it's probably about heroin. I feel like every old
song
rock
about
song
heroin.
is about heroin.
Yeah.
And some
You know what? We haven't talked about this a lot on the show. Damn, the Beatles sucked.
Yeah.
Like a lot.
Yeah.
Just wanted to throw that out there.
Yeah, they really sucked. It's funny because
I want to say it again. The Beatles sucked.
Dog.
The only song worse than the Beatles is Sweet Caroline. Also, Sweet Caroline is a song about pedophilia. If you sing it, you are advocating for a pedophile.
Desus Musk over here.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta read those. You gotta read those lyrics. That shit's about pedophilia.
Sweet
I got
Caroline.
friends in Boston, fam. I just be like singing it to get along.
It was about Caroline Kennedy, and she was 9 when it was written.
Whoa, you serious?
Does Jesus just make up fucking facts?
I mean,
It was a long thought of. He said, "Okay, well, all right. Now we're gonna look at something." He said it's not inspired by JFK's young daughter, which is what a pedophile would say. He said he just needed a 3-syllable name for the chorus, and Caroline works.
Oh, Caroline works.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know. I'm just saying. Neil Diamond look a little. Sit down right there. Those cookies aren't for you. If you know what I'm saying.
Listen, look a little spacey.
Okay. Sweet Caroline's about Kennedy's daughter. Fuck that. Fuck that.
Say it with your chest, bro.
All right, we lost 1918. We're not losing this shit.
Evanescence was goth.
Okay? Evanescence was about Jesus. Sweet Caroline was about pedophilia. And every time you guys in the bar like, that's a pedophile because they're in the child's bedroom and the parents are coming home. I double down on it.
That's the sound they make when
We got to do the job right now. Like,
The views expressed here are not necessarily the views by Milk, Showtime, Nike, Ari Velver, HQ Trivia,
everybody. Cash App, Square Cash,
Victor, Diana, CV, Victoria,
Hasan.
Mero's kids, Charlie.
Sweet Caroline. Imagine some guy, your daughter's named Caroline and some guys outside her window like,
Caroline. I got a cousin named Caroline too. And it's
we gotta do a movie called Sweet Caroline. You know what? I say it a lot. We gotta do a movie. I just want to throw a movie out there. Someone else writes it, and we just get the money for it.
such a.
I don't want to write shit.
It's niggas just gotta finagle.
We need to create an OVO workshop kind of thing.
Yeah.
Just have niggas just create a movie.
Yeah.
Let me say less.
Yeah.
Also, I'm setting up
Cut
a
that
new.
part.
Listen, we're going to set up a. What is it? Give me time. I'm setting up jobs at bodegasushi.com because we're recruiting for some different positions. So give me. Stay tuned to Bodega Boys Twitter account. We'll tell you when that's
You know
up
what I'm
and
saying?
running.
69ing, reverse cowgirl. You know what I'm saying? All kinds.
I'm just here with my man Mero Weinstein over here. You should have known he was creepy. He has on sunglasses indoors.
Yo, my eyes are burning, fam. Like I haven't taken my.
It's a herp.
I haven't cut.
It's
like,
a herp.
I'm a big real.
I'm not gonna lie. I took a pill today.
Listen,
You know what we did in Miami. All right, that's how. You meet a girl in Dwayne Reed, and what do you expect? She was like, "Y'all niggas be on TV."
Yo,
and I was like, "Oh yeah."
Oh, you picking a Valtrex, nigga?
I was like, "Oh shit."
Oh shit. Actually,
she was impressed because Mero was buying an iPhone charger. She was like, "Y'all got iPhones?" I was like, "Oh shit."
Oh shit. Okay.
I was like, "You ain't never been nowhere, man."
you bought a wild Fugazi brick. The shit is like neon pink. Like, yo, the shit is gonna last 1 week.
She was like, "These niggas bought me Crunch a Munch. I ain't never had nothing high fancy like that before." I was like, "Oh my god."
Yo, this nigga bought me pecan turtles.
Yo. So like, they're like shaped like children, and they're sour at first, and then they're sweet.
Sweet.
It's OD nice. It's not
like
from
him.
New York.
It's like
Okay.
it's not. It's mad. He's
Okay.
nice. He's good.
I'm the first girl from Fishmonger, Indiana, to
That's
get
right.
double triz.
That
So
is
how you
right.
feel?
So
It's in her Twitter bio.
you got traced by Jesus.
We signed an NDA, but the NDA was that she had to put our names in the bio. I was like, make sure that shit's spelled properly.
Got traced. Link in bio.
Triz. But wait, is two guys, one girl is Triz? Yeah, right?
Yeah. I think it's if it's.
But people
or
say
is
that's
it- or
not
is
a
it
threesome. You know what? I find out a lot of people who worry about what it is are the people who are never going to be in that situation.
Yeah, that's true.
Because when it happens, you never stop. You're like, yo, what is this? You're
What
like,
is
yo, this is lit.
This shit is fucking lit, yo.
So niggas ain't like, yo.
Yo.
Excuse me. Is this a MTF or is this MMF?
Is this MMF? MFF?
MMA?
Is this CNMF?
Is this CNN? Is this MSNBC? Is this C-SPAN?
Is this C?
C-SPAN is when you get your ass eaten, but you're reading like a political document. Like reading the Magna Carta, like 4 score and
Whoa, shit! I forgot to shave. Ooh, I got a little stubble.
Yo, shout out to like people back in the day because they were doing sexual things but not bathing.
Yeah, that's wild. Imagine
while hot.
Yeah.
Imagine you've been on the Mayflower for
Ooh.
like fucking 4 months.
You got scurvy.
But you come off and like you like, oh shit, we ain't die. You probably mad turned up. You go down to your girl, she tastes like a pumpkin.
Fam, you uncircumcised, you don't beat off like 10 times
on the boat.
And shit. It's
wiping that shit on the side.
That's when I had that weird ascot.
Yeah.
That shit was just a cum rag.
Yo, I mean, listen, I know a lot of y'all, your parents might be pilgrims if you're listening to this, but yo, the pilgrims fashion was not slapping.
Nah.
The buckle hat?
Nah. That shit was wild
come on,
corny.
man. The Hasidic shoes?
Yeah,
like, nah,
y'all
man.
doing, yeah.
That shit was the move.
Nah, that shit
Nigga
was
had
corny.
the square brunch shoes.
It was like fake diesel shoes. Like, get that shit out of here.
Niggas going right to the store on 14th Street.
Yeah. Like, yo, let me get them fake Fugazi shits.
The pilgrims ain't have no like Supreme or nothing.
Nah. Nothing.
No Off-White.
Come on.
You see, like they just had like
niggas wore britches.
Come on, nigga. You can't get bitches with britches.
Nah.
That's the first thing I learned. You know what I'm saying? And then they was like, yo, I got that thing on. Nigga, that's a musket.
That's a
nigga.
musket,
Get out of
fam.
here.
Fuck outta
you
here.
miss, you gotta take 45 minutes to
Fuck out of here.
out of here.
You gotta back order gunpowder from China and shit because you ain't bring
shit.
enough and shit.
Niggas came here for spices. Don't even use the shit.
Fuck out of here.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, we got paprika. What we gonna do?
Whoa,
with it?
whoa,
Yo,
get outta here.
Just throw that
Get
shit
outta
over.
here. Throw that
Throw it
outta here.
overboard. Throw it overboard. We don't need it. We just need
Native
pepper,
Americans was
salt.
trying to help them. Native Americans was like, yo, they just put a fucking pork chop on a Foreman grill with no spices, nigga.
Yo, let's keep moving west.
Fuck
We
that.
gotta
They
get away from these
savage.
niggas,
They
yo.
savage. They 21,
they're
21,
wildin'.
20.
Yeah, they're wilding.
Damn.
These niggas don't season shit.
Not a goddamn thing.
Let's put them on.
Yo. Niggas like, yo, so I'm gonna put you on my album, but don't outshine me. And then was like, yeah.
Yeah.
I got you.
I got you. Native Americans gave up fucking the English Pilgrims a feature, and niggas
Niggas
ran with it.
OD. Niggas did a cannabis LO shit. Like, yo,
Oh no.
got a mic on your arm. Let me borrow that.
Borrow
like,
that.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Oh fuck.
Sad.
It's a sad world.
You can't live like that. Oh shit. This has been episode 133, right?
Yeah.
Live from Elk Studios.
Leche.
Leche.
Tú quieres leche. Papi, toma leche.
We gotta record a bachata milk theme song, just nasty in here, and make that shit like the song. Cause we already know they're gonna play a locksmith.
You know what I'm saying?
Locksmith, pull up. You know what it is.
You pull up. You know what I'm saying?
If you want to be nasty or you want to celebrate some family event, go to Locksmith. They're
You know what I'm
good.
saying? It's a good time.
Tip heavy.
Tip heavy.
But yes, episode 133.
It's your boys.
So we're working on it.
You know what I mean?
What do we have a? I think okay. We have White Genocide as our like punk rock group.
We got the punk
do we
rock
have
group.
Do we have a bachata group? 4skinBoyz.
Yeah.
4skinBoyz?
Yeah.
La Leche by the 4skinBoyz.
La Leche by the 4skinBoyz.
That sounds nasty.
Yes, it's so
That sounds so.
You know
Let
how
me
nasty?
find out.
You know how nasty? So nasty.
Let me find out. All right, so we got a project for next week. The 4skinBoyz come with the new international smat. We got to get Martinez Brothers on it. The 4skinBoyz with La Leche.
Yeah.
We got to have like the girl saying, Daiana. Yeah, we got a job for you. All right. It's been episode 133.
You heard?
You know what it is.
You know what I'm
It's
saying?
your boy Desus Nice, aka
right.
Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio,
to him.
aka Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go! Yeah! Hooray! Chris Asper Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Buchos Gully, Slow Banana Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take,
Damn.
DJ Fuego, Mr. Nas with a Rondo. Get that peri sauce. It's so good. 1994, Nueva York. You Mercado going off the Juve Boss. MC Look Gunga P. Gunga Peas are so good. So good.
Delicious.
I'm pulling up for 40 with your shorty.
Oof.
Don't talk to me in the Uber pool. Why?
We're not familiar, dog.
Fam, I don't know you.
Hey, I don't know you,
I don't
cuz.
know you. I'm just trying to get from point A to point B.
That's right.
The driver didn't even pick me up where I was supposed to be.
Fam.
I
All
said,
this to
I
save
said
$3.
400 Broadway. Your man turned on Spring. They
What's
called me
going
like, come
on?
over here. I'm like, yo, fam, you in the car? Come here.
This is dangerous. This construction. Fuck's wrong with you?
wildin'. The original one plus one got plus one Jamaican plus one. Jesus Rostin, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pod, the Ultimate Mufasa, Young Chakunery without the coonery.
That's
Okay.
right.
Coonery free. AK Chili Moan, left-handed
That's right.
reliever for the Yankees. Girl, okay.
Papi.
No, Laurent, Alex Gora.
Papi.
You know.
That's
You
it.
Jewin World Series.
That's right.
Que us
There.
on your dick.
That's it.
You think us.
You think us?
You don't think a woman, you think
Yeah.
us.
Yeah. That's
we
right.
win.
We winning.
Thank you. That was a little stereotypical, but D-Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute, or you will burn your clit off.
Yeah, that's right.
Leonardo Trapio.
You need your hood.
It's the 240p, Cock My Pinot, Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Woola, aka listening to Wash FM. Up next.
Oh, what do we got?
Let me tell you something. Do you remember Breonna Perry?
Oh.
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 That's right. She had a song called Marilyn Monroe.
Oh.
It was very popular. If you are what is known as a thotty or you are a retired thotty, you probably had that as your ringtone, or you maybe even had that as your song of the day on MySpace. I respect it. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spice, Jamal Hash from the Bronx, Leon, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain the one human man, word the job. You even made it this far, and it is getting hot as fucking here. I had no idea how you have on a hoodie, but I think you got that thing on you, like
Because
it's
I'm
the tunnel.
cold-blooded.
Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain him.
No.
All right, Container Store, call me for that ad. I'll flex into a thing, and
You
Mero
know
will be
what
like,
I'm
wow, you
saying?
can't contain him.
Oh, my, you can't.
Do you remember me? Where the job? Young Era, narration provocateur.
right.
I start fights with white people online for no fucking reason.
At all.
Henrik Budcross, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir. Woo. Boofin. That's right. He took our economy and put it in his man wallets.
Yeah.
The human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex, I'll take it. Ricky Ticket Squaggy, Greg Popovich, more says your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber, the juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. I like to say that when I'm getting dragged out of like an IHOP or a Cheesecake Factory. I am the art, damn it.
Ah, the Roach Coach.
All right, the Prince of Peckham, which is the actual place. Go in there and enjoy some sliders.
Yeah.
The fashionable, cashionable. We made cents, 5, 10 cents, $10.
Yo, why you out?
Forget the small change.
No,
give
why
me
you out?
Give me a pitch. Someone give me a sharp. Give me big money. Wine. The only anthem I salute is what? Dipset.
Yes, right.
Saga, catch me a square one. Top left, man. Just Marv. Lock
Yo,
your doors.
That's right.
It's not safe up there.
Yo.
Shirazuda, holy cow. Catch me at the money store. This is our punch to do is count checks and jerk off.
That's right.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me.
Oh, what's that?
Sunny D.
Oh, my God.
Wow. David Yurman. Jesus Spencer. Jesus Red Bottom. Jesus Bloody Shoes. Smoking Noah. Andrew Kunana. A.K.A. the Junior Energy God. Junior comes down.
Sit on it, one on it, charge on it.
We're not do wireless charging. That's a Babylon team.
No.
Call me Pat Coke. I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and sayasa. No, I don't give a fuck. This is an off-peak ticket, but it's a peak train. Y'all arrest me if you want.
I don't care. I know Billy Joel.
I don't give a fuck. Listen, I'll fight every cop at
I don't
Jamaica.
care.
Let's go.
You got a Rangers jersey on.
Go Islanders.
Mike Richter.
AKA Grandpa Joker. When you see Charlie, you see me. I cut his balls off, and he's even more brazy now. Don't touch that golden ticket. The chopping that street. These are bad beats like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asian will crack your act like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, a cold fresh Marina, and a cold demeanor. AKA the sheet mask killer. Ella. No one could be Ella. AKA a problematic bay. Check it. That check engine light.
This is a
That's
suggestion.
big auto.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Nigga,
yeah.
you got like 500 more miles
good,
driving
you
on that.
good,
You good on that,
good.
ma.
You know what I'm saying?
Oil change, you don't need that.
You don't need that. Just
You change the oil when you frying chicken? Exactly.
Yeah.
Up next,
It's your boy.
it's your boy,
You know what I'm saying?
the other half of the Foreskin Boys.
Yeah.
The Foreskin Boys poster got to be us coming out like a foreskin.
Foreskin, like, yo, creeping
You know
out.
how like they have the cornucopia for Thanksgiving? It's just us coming out like we're like
yo,
animals.
what
Yeah.
up? Okay, leche, papi. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct, papi, aka Donovan McDab, aka
Damn,
Curve
I know.
Gotti, aka Tris Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? aka Skirt Loader, hop the curb. You know what I'm saying? Hit the door, keep it moving. It's me if I give a fuck. If you got the plate number, I don't care, nigga, because they fake anyway. You know what I'm saying? My shit is fugazi. aka I know fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? aka no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I just got nominated for Best New Artist at the United Nations. Nigga, yeah, I'm drinking fucking Paul Masama no shirt on. So what? You know what I'm saying? I got fucking on premium cable. Nigga, fuck out of there, you DXL.
I heard you're on Showtime now.
Yeah, on Showtime.
Yeah,
So get the
that's
fuck
drunk.
out of there. I'm getting in the club. You got fucking shirts from DXL, you cornball. Get the fuck out my way. Nigga, I got juice. Fuck out of there. Fuck you. AKA CC Diabathia, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I hit that dab, nigga, I pass the fuck out on IG Live. AKA get into the money and the smoke. It's your boy, Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying?
Smacked it in.
Exactly. I got all my kids training with, you know what I'm saying? I got all my kids training with Floyd Mayweather. And
I
my
seen one of
training-
your sons on IG Live training with McGregor.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
You doing a little dance. We
They-
came out
like,
like,
oh, team. You know what I'm saying?
to who I run the rock. to who I am the Dominican. Came out with the Irish and the Dominican flag. I'm like, Mero, please talk to him.
Talk,
You're gonna lose him.
You're gonna lose him. You're gonna lose him.
Nigga, I seen the nigga's drinking Irish stout.
Stop. No.
Like he's 3.
He got Guinness in the baby ball. You got something. You know what I'm saying?
You come into his room and shit with the little leather dance. You find a cauldron full of gold and his little fucking leather shoes. Who taught this to you? Who taught you this?
What is this?
Gosh, Magor, I learned of Connor.
No.
Oh.
What is this? Is this a Blarney Stone?
Mero, I'm in Woodlawn. I seen your son.
He's a rambling house.
He's at Rambling's house. He's talking to a girl named Megan.
He's eating shepherd's pie. What's going on here? I got all my kids training with Floyd Mayweather, and by training I don't mean training like boxing. I mean
Training on spending money.
training, you know what I'm saying, how to be extremely obnoxious with large amounts of cash. You know what I'm saying?
They're lifting stacks.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? They're doing planking on $1 million like Hove said.
Who's spotting that baby? He's lifting $1 million.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I sound like Sue when she saw fucking Roger Clemens and George Steinbrenner's box. Oh my God. Roger Clemens is in the boss's box.
Oh my God. AKA Bitch Smack Me Up Boy, AKA Diego Maradona, AKA who recently had a birthday, and Sniff probably have a key. We're trying to do. Yeah, Sniff a kick up. AKA Digging Your Bay Motumbo, you know, come in this pussy no more. You cannot come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. That's it. AKA David Trisdale.
Hey,
you know what I'm saying?
whoa. Hi, my name is Constance Ovaltine.
How you doing?
I am a lawyer
How you doing, my friend?
from the Surefire Intelligence Agency. I have an injunction here to stop you from taking over this pussy.
No.
Apparently, we have to go to court. This pussy neither belongs to you nor my client. Please check out my documents, and you no longer have access to this pussy.
Let me tell you something.
You no longer own this pussy.
No, this is my
We
pussy.
are not giving you any goats. This pussy is now the ward of the state.
No, this pussy is mine now.
No, sir, can I see a document?
I check your LinkedIn.
Yes.
You use a picture of Christoph Waltz as your CEO. You Fugazi. Your company is Fugazi. Your company is Fugazi.
What are you talking?
Motherfucker, get the fuck out of here.
Oh, okay.
Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. And the nigga sees it coming out and get out the store like, yo, you trying to steal headphones? Kobe headphones? Fuck out of here. You're trying to steal, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale. Pow, pow. Take that for Daiana. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. And I really fucked up because it's a C-class. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You embarrassing us both. You know who the fuck I am. I got a show on Showtime. It's not out yet. You know what I'm saying? But it's about to be. You know what I'm saying? It's me and Desus. You know what I'm saying? We got it. It's coming out. Like there's no shit out yet. But it's coming.
Yeah,
Why
like-
you calling? But why you on?
I
why you
mean,
calling
like,
security?
you guys
why,
are asking
why
a lot
you
of
calling
questions.
security?
You guys think like me and Mero like running some sort of scam just to like collect checks and not make a show? Like who would do that?
Why would we?
Why would we not make?
AKA, I got my Chelsea boots on and I'm ready.
All right.
It's your boy, Romeo Santos. So, Zanny, let me black out. I'll kiss your girl uterus on stage at the Latin Grammys. I don't care. Papi. I don't give a fuck. The 4skinBoyz is out here. We out here.
We making t-shirts.
Lecture for
We
everybody.
making t-shirts.
That's right. That's right.
4skinBoyz in the building.
That's right. Get your brunch boots ready, motherfucker. AKA Latin El Dutchie. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass ain't got five.
You ain't got five?
You know, can you tell I got a vocal coach? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls inflated, but we still winning it out here. You know what I'm saying? AKA Phil the ass said, I want to explore your Milky Way, ma. You know what I'm saying? Or your Milky, all the cosmos. You know what I'm saying? All that. You know what I'm saying? All that distrust, let me get it. AKA Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zanny Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Cool. P.O. He's gonna come over and flip the coal. You know what I'm saying? We good. Come through, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Come through. AKA Ben Boston.
Thump.
My hands are gifted.
Thump.
I'll replace your cranium
Thump.
with a fedora. So when you say no cap, you will be speaking in the literal sense. You piece of garbage. Can't get the strap. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga, man. Come on, man. Of course I don't know where that cocaine. Come on. Why would I lie about something like that, man? Come on, man. That shit don't belong to me, man. Come on now. AKA Baby Newport. I got my shit is 2 for $5, and then I stand the official. You know what I'm saying? AKA Neil Brown. AKA live from Van Cortlandt, leaning on a public party bench, calling everybody Poppy. It's the East Stream on Stevie V doing all his hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Come back to me.
Stevie B gonna fuck you up, nigga.
I actually found out he's my uncle.
He's still gonna fuck you up.
Yeah.
That makes you worse. You're both Latino.
Yeah, he's gonna
Y'all
give
gonna
me-
fight on like Christmas Eve.
He's gonna give me
with your
pop
shirts
out.
off in the middle of the
Yeah,
street.
he's gonna give me
I'm like,
pop out.
hey, it's Christmas. Why y'all fighting? Why y'all fighting?
Stop. You knock over the pernil. Stop.
I want to be the one your nephew was fighting.
Okay, listen, mate. There's only 2 rock stars left, and this is the Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying? And this is I. The plants ain't sleeping ever in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, just buying one single condom from the bodega.
If you turn it inside out,
you can use
double
it twice.
usage.
Yeah, that's right. It's reversible.
Nasty.
It's a rough rider. I use a rough rider.
1 for the money, 2 for the hoes. Come on, baby, let's rock and roll, baby.
A baby bubba. A baby bubba to the boogity bee. AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
You know what
Miss me
I'm
with the
saying?
dumb stuff.
You know what I'm saying? Starting at forward, he got his deal off props. It's Barmelos Anthony for 3. Bang! If you see me at Target smacked acting surprised when security catches me trying to sneak a microwave out under my cart, approach me like a motherfucking Ursine mammal dog. I may react erratically.
And he might react, and you won't like that.
That's right.
I got the power. They use that in every movie now.
Yeah,
like that song means nothing.
It means absolutely nothing.
Like they use that in like fucking baby commercials.
Yeah, like Airbud 4 has.
Like you
it
put a
in it,
fucking diaper on a baby. What you got the power
you
about?
got the power. What? Now you powerful. Now you powerful.
You know what's gonna break my heart when they start using like fucking Black Moon and shit, like a Geico commercial.
Oh man, who got the props? Who got the props?
It's like a mother putting like she's at Walmart shopping. Like yeah.
Who got the savings? Who got the savings? And Buckshot comes out like with a Walmart vest on, like, yo, I actually work here now.
Oh man.
Damn, it's just like, damn.
Dark.
AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high of CVS brand Baby Tylenol and some other shit I found in my garage. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pita, coño.
Here we
fue? Yo, ¿qué fue? Llegó el ejército de FIFA, el director de la película. Coño, vengo Chucky para 2019. Mouse City arriba, pero estoy frío en todos los bloques, mamagüevo. Yo no pido permiso para pisar. Ahí te llega el flow. No me venga a hablar de cuarto cuando tú estás arrancado y desgranado. Maldita rana, si tú no eres de lo mío, aléjate de mi fucking mesa, lambonazo. Shadow Taxstone, pronta libertad a los que no están chivateando. Tú sabes que lo que conmigo somos ricos de este lado. Estamos adelante y tú eres un TBT, mamá huevo. Andamos chuchi, mamá malparido. Siempre happy. Me quité. Ya. Episode 133, motherfucker. Call eyes, I dare you.
I hope you people watching this video If you commit a crime in another country and you're in prison, that's what it's gonna look like when you're like, I'm an American, I can't be here. I can't be here, I'm an American.
I can't.
That wasn't my cocaine.
That wasn't mine.
As always, shout out to sponsors, shout out to Squarecast, shout out to Milk Studios for the illustrious.
You know
Look
what
at
I'm
this
saying?
fucking location. I feel like I'm about to be molested in the basement.
You know what I'm saying?
And also, shout outs
Yeah.
to the New York City Comedy Festival, 11/11. Tickets
November
still
11th.
available.
Hulu
Hulu
Theater. Ticketmasters.com.
Check out your boys at Askinazi. Listen, we're bringing out Bow Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
We're not. We're gonna bring out people of note. But it's been episode 133. Victor's back in the building.
Say he's out here.
That's great timing because we out. Holla. Some of the points falling off. Catch that.